Hello, everyone. Good morning.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Morning drinkers out. Let's get it started right.
Can we restart? It's 5:30. All right.
Let's get it started right.
Oh, is this how you guys start, huh?
Salud.
Oh, you know, it's morning drinkers. Good morning.
Morning drinkers.
Yeah.
At
This
5
is
in
right
the
before you
afternoon.
head off to work.
This is definitely not going out then if I'm going to work.
But yeah.
That was in sync. All right, what's up, guys? How are you?
Well, you know, we're
I know, it's a
dynamic
whole...
duo.
Yeah, I know.
We're the gruesome twosome
the
now.
I know,
gruesome
some too
twosome.
soon.
Yeah.
Is he going to do that the whole time?
What?
Just the...
No.
Yeah, what is that?
You did in the beginning.
Yeah.
I did?
Yeah.
I don't know. I've been doing a lot subconsciously,
The
unconsciously recently. Yeah, like I don't know.
Oh, okay. Well,
Like acoustics. I don't know.
that's not what that is.
We need to treat this
That's
for
not what that is, but yeah.
for the acoustics.
Anyways.
I was telling Brian like a while back, like, because of It's Always Sunny, like we should get like a soundboard or something.
Oh, we can
my
totally get a
gosh.
soundboard.
With the lasers, of course. That has to be the best one.
Dude, welcome. We've been actually trying to get you on here for a while.
Yes, I know you guys called me twice. For all the listeners at home, I'm sorry. I didn't answer.
Wait. We called him for what?
Twice?
Yeah. We
Sorry,
called
that
him.
was loud. What,
The first one was for the dick pic.
Oh, okay. Let's
Not dick. No, clarify.
Let's
Clarify
Let's
that?
go one by one. Let's clear it out. What's the first one?
It was the penis drawing.
Okay, penis drawing. A little context. We went to Catholic school.
Yeah.
Penises were frowned upon just generally, but the drawings were just like, you just,
Yeah.
okay, And I drew.
It's funny that they're frowned upon because the priests seem to be
You're
big
t-
fans.
Are you talking about the?
I'm talking about the landscape.
Well, I don't know about that. We had nuns, and to my knowledge,
They're not fans.
To my knowledge,
They're
they were
not
all
fans.
missing it. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
But are you talking about the big one, like the Godzilla one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I drew a Godzilla. Yeah, it was a Godzilla penis, as you can imagine.
Dickzilla, Cockzilla.
Just the head.
Oh, why did we think of Cockzilla before?
Oh, I'm Dr. Sanchez, by the way. I'm the guest, and I'm talking about penises.
Right. We didn't even introduce them. We just went right into
we went right into
I'm
it.
just going right in.
Dr. Georgie Sanchez.
Dr.
here.
Georgie
And
Sanchez.
they don't care about this shit. Anyways, the body was just a Godzilla, right? Spikes, everything.
Yeah.
Big stubby
Get
arms.
close to the mic.
Big stubby arms. I went Toho style on it, not American. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
And the only penis was the head. The
Oh,
neck.
so Godzilla's face was.
Yeah.
was
yeah.
a dickhead.
It was a rough.
Okay.
The rough sketch was the body first, and then you
And
had to
instead
you
of
had to work.
fire, it's just semen.
No, I wasn't shooting anything out.
So
yeah.
you guys didn't think of that either.
In hindsight, yeah, that would have been dope. The thing is, he was fighting the Avengers. That's why.
Oh, that's
That's the
nice.
whole other half of the page.
Wait, how old?
Was I?
Yeah, how old? Like, what grade?
I don't fucking know. When did it come out?
Sophomore year.
So this is high school.
It's high school, yeah.
Okay, I was hoping you were younger. Though. I was hoping he was younger.
Listen,
I'll tell you what.
It was obviously sophomore year because we were at Mater Day.
Right. I'll tell you what.
No
Let's recreate it. We'll go down to the high school,
Mm-hmm.
and he just sits in a class, just audit a class, and just start drawing dicks.
And see what happens.
We didn't get to the best part when they found it. What was her name? Sister, the only nun at the school
At the time.
had to find it. And
I don't think I had a nun.
She started crying.
She did.
She was
I remember
crying.
she cried. Yeah, she cried. Like she. Did someone slip it under her classroom door?
That's exactly what happened. You know who did that? That was you. And I said, don't do that because I drew that. Like they had some kind of like they had some penis.
He's like, how are they
forensic-
gonna know? He's like, this says Georgie Sanchez.
Yeah, like it was like, oh, they have some forensic penis team like working on it
Database.
right, like, as we speak.
At a Catholic high school, 100.
Oh, 100%.
Yeah.
So it's funny that we bring this up because when we were in Europe, I remember we were going down the dickless statues.
Oh yeah. At the
and
Louvre.
And
Yeah.
I just remember, I don't know if it was you or Diego that was like, oh, it's because the Pope kept them in his drawer on his desk.
No,
Kept all
then
the penis.
Then that was in Rome. Then
That was in
That was
Rome.
in Rome. Yeah.
I think it's because people kept touching them, no?
Well, yeah.
And then
I
they
told
just
you, the
eventually
priests are
fall
big
off. Yeah.
fans. Yeah.
Really?
Whoa, wait, what?
Yeah.
The dicks fall off after you touch them all?
The statue ones.
Oh,
the real ones,
It
yeah.
hasn't fallen off
man.
yet.
Yeah.
I was gonna say.
I am a
shit.
man of medicine. I can confirm that. It will. Yeah. It just depends on the force and then the direction.
Do you know anything
But
about
anyways-
total scrotal implosion?
What?
I'm going to say no so you can keep talking.
Total scrotal implosion.
Keep going.
That's the second-
Elaborate.
that's the
That's the
second
second
time.
time.
Yeah,
You're
you
gonna
haven't
need
said
to elaborate now.
I think
You've
it's
only named it.
It's a side effect from like a pill, like Zyrtophenix.
What? What is that?
So both balls just go inside. Yeah, Brian, can you pull it up? Both balls.
It says right there, total scrotal implosion.
Boondocks. That's bullshit. That's where you got it from. You son of a
Boondocks,
bitch.
you idiot.
Yeah, that's where you got it from.
Okay, let's clear up the second phone. Let's do the second phone call. Why'd you guys call me? Was that it for the dick? I mean, I drew a lot more of the dicks.
I know. No, but it was specifically.
In my defense, I drew the Avengers because I was like, half of this page is empty. What? Am I gonna draw like Ghidorah or something like that? It's not in me anymore. So I just drew little stick figures. This wasn't like detailed, by the way, Brian.
It
So.
sounds like it was. The way he painted it.
Oh,
it was-
the Godzilla dick.
Oh, the Godzilla.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
It had to be.
Yeah.
This
So
was
it
He's
was a
talking
bit
about
rushed.
the fillers.
So it was
He's
a
talking
bit.
about he's talking about the fillers in the
He
background.
like phoned in the rest.
yeah,
Yeah.
like backgrounds, like just squares with
Where
little
you
windows.
draw the birds like this?
Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly.
pretty
Well, there
much.
was no birds. That's how lazy it was. Yeah. But what was this? There was more dicks that they found. No or no?
Yeah, the ones we did in tandem. I remember we did a whole animal farm.
Whoa,
I did like a squirrel. Same thing. It was like a squirrel.
Oh my
Like,
god,
head
the
was
squirrel
just
was
big.
grabbing nuts.
Yeah.
But they were like normal nuts.
But
You guys are like legit artists, huh?
Well, I mean, I wouldn't say
Dick
that.
artists.
don't
You said it.
Yeah.
I'm not
didn't.
gonna toot my own horn, but
I'm not-
But don't
I
you
mean, I have.
remember the other like little dick figurines I used to draw? I used to draw like a little Mexican one with like guns.
wait. If
like a
I wait,
sombrero,
Can-
like,
can I-
and like a
That was a
mustache.
sombrero.
can I
No,
pull
it's
out
just-
a
no,
pad and
not-
you could like do a quick sketch of
Probably,
a cock?
yeah.
Yeah.
No, not
I got
probably.
a pad
I mean,
with me right now.
I'm ready to fire one out.
I'm gonna get.
Let me get mine.
Are we gonna do
Well,
a
there's-
competition?
Well, I can't draw a dick.
As in like no, someone needs to judge it.
Yeah, I'll definitely judge it. I can't draw a dick though. Like
So-
I can't draw anything really.
This is the pad that we were working on the new logo.
Perfect.
It's already covered with dicks.
Two birds with one stone.
Yeah, 2 stones with 1 bird.
You can use that logo. You can use this new dick for a logo.
Yeah, that'd be great.
It's so funny. This is the first thing people hear me talk. Wait, so what? Any
mean,
requests
you're
or
all
just
about
like a?
dicks.
Oh, you want me to
Request?
recreate the Godzilla?
No, you don't have to recreate anything.
Anything that comes from the heart.
as-
Anything that comes from the heart.
Yeah.
In honor of
And you don't need to do it. There's no rush. You could just occasionally.
Oh, this whole
While-
time.
yeah.
Yeah,
like Jim
big
Carrey
reveal
does
at the end of the
Oh,
end of the
yeah,
pod.
that'd be nice.
Okay,
That'd be
okay.
nice.
Yeah.
And I'm not gonna spoil it then.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
like
exactly.
throughout the pod, just add shit to it.
You're
Yeah,
gonna be
yeah,
able to
do
see
your
it, so
thing.
don't say.
Right. Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
What was the?
So
what
that was the
the
second time we. No,
No, that was the
second-
first phone call.
I think I think we called him only twice, right?
Yes.
That's what we've established.
I was
You
driving
can't
both
figure
times.
out the
And-
second.
I was driving both times. Don't answer the phone while you drive. Continue. PSA.
And I
I need to
think
even it out with the dick talk.
I don't recall it completely, but I think the other one was to try to get a confirmation to see if you'd come on.
Oh, okay. Because I
Oh.
thought it was gonna be about playing buck.
No.
What is
no,
that?
No. Oh.
What's
No.
We talked about the
We
camp, the childhood camp you guys went to.
Yeah, the
And-
one where,
and
What about that?
where you
Well,
broke
as a
my
result-
fingers.
Oh, I broke his toe. You guys want to talk
No,
about that?
not my toe, my pinky.
His pinky.
Oh yeah, pinky toe.
No, it's like
Later-
actual pinky.
Oh,
Remember?
Oh, I'm thinking
Rip-
about.
No,
I'm
we're
thinking
talking-
about.
How many other
yeah.
bones has he broken of
I
yours?
fucked you up. No, I'm thinking about me. I broke a
You-
hairline fractured toe. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm not thinking about
when you
too.
when you wore the moon boot. Yeah.
Yeah, the moon boot.
But,
But
for a toe.
they made fun of me at school for that. Yeah.
I mean, I would still
you
make
made fun of
it.
yourself. Diego.
But yeah, I fucked him up, dude. Can you
Yeah.
show? Can anyone see that?
Yeah. Oh, we've.
Can
already
anyone see
shown
that?
it.
It's not supposed to look like that.
Yeah.
It's not. You're a person of medicine. You would.
Here's the thing. Here's the thing. I was always a heavier kid, but compared to him, he was just like anorexic. So
Yeah.
in my defense,
Yeah.
he was just malnourished to start with.
Malnourished.
Yeah.
And any little like a breeze would just probably knock him over.
Yep.
And I won that race, so
I don't think.
it was a race. It was a race. I pushed him at the
I
end.
don't
That's why
think
he
you
fell.
won though.
And then he smacked it on a sprinkler, right? Yeah, I remember.
no, dude.
Okay, because you guys are telling different stories. Because from
No,
what I-
it was the dog pile. That's where
Yeah.
you broke it.
yeah,
at
you
the
jumped
camp?
on it.
At the camp. Remember?
At Southwestern Camp.
You remember they used to make us sprints in the morning?
you a bunch of
Yeah.
fat kids jumped
And
on
I
it.
fucking passed out. Yeah.
Don't you remember they used to make us sprint in the morning and then like I
Yes.
tripped over my own foot? Remember?
You do have big feet.
Yeah, I tripped.
Oh, so then everyone's like,
And then, yeah, do you remember I tripped over my own foot and you're the one who screamed, dog pile! And then you jumped on me.
I
Everyone-
remember that, but I remember breaking the finger though.
It happened.
about it.
Well, apparently that happened
It
at the same
happened.
time.
Just,
Yeah.
Listen.
don't do this to me, baby.
Listen.
Don't do this to me.
Listen. This is gonna turn out amazing. Listen.
I'm looking forward to that.
I don't know why it was a race then.
Don't you remember? They used to
It was
just
some
make
kind of
it-
like I was passing something.
No,
Wait,
they
it
used-
wasn't a sprinkler then.
No.
It was just pure force.
It-
I'm gonna get hammered.
George, they
was
used
way
to
smaller
in the
than mine.
mornings. Don't you
Anyways,
remember? They used to give us this shitty food, and then they used to make us run.
In their defense, the food was shitty. The dessert was amazing. It was a little square. It was an oatmeal apple. No, it was apple
Fritter.
Yeah, it was just something like, and it was just ghetto. You know, it was just like in plastic. You knew it was,
just like McDonald's.
You
apple
knew
pies.
a box was like $2, but it
Right.
was just heaven. I knew that time was coming. I was like,
Well, from what I remember,
we're about to leave.
It was essentially a fat camp.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What? Oh no. Why was he in there though?
Because he was your friend for moral support, really. For moral support.
Sorry, I just imagined him there the whole time. Probably. Yeah, I broke his finger. What about it?
He's like, what are you gonna do now? I'll break your other one, bitch.
Dude, I didn't. Dude, it got worse over the years. Let me see that again.
It's pretty bad. Yeah.
I mean,
No, because when you initially broke it, it was like that, dude.
Did they reset
Don't you
it?
remember?
wait.
Don't you remember the counselor was like, he's like, oh, it ain't that bad, and he like tried to push it
Let's-
back.
Oh, so
in.
he did reset it.
Let's go back. Let's go back a little bit. You said dog pile. What does that entail? It means more than one person, at least two.
Right, but you
Right?
You initiated it.
Yeah, you
Oh,
announced
okay.
it.
Oh, all right then. Yeah, that was me. Yeah. I thought. I mean, you're just. Yeah.
No, you initiated.
If you're telling me about that, then yeah, I thought like the whole dog pile thing. I mean, it takes more. It takes a village. You know what I mean?
Right, but you were the guy that announced it.
Oh yeah,
You were-
I'm not denying that. Let's continue. Yeah. Uh-huh.
Yeah. Continue to what?
I don't know.
Man.
You want an apology or something?
No,
I apologize so many times. I'm about to storm out of here, dude.
Dude,
You
he-
bring me in here this intervention time, dude.
kind of intervention.
Fine,
Yeah.
dude.
He said it.
Yeah.
He said it. He brought
But
it
yeah,
up.
I just started talking about my finger, but yeah, I fucked you up, dude. I'm sorry, dude. Cheers, dude. Hey,
Hey,
here's to
we're-
here's to not redoing.
we're
the past, I
deconstructing
guess.
things here.
This is why we here.
Yeah, this is why we here.
No, we're just clearing things up.
Yeah, I guess next week we get someone else to.
To come in and just
Yeah.
bash.
Yeah, pretty much. Just fucking verbally berate them. We'll say some dark
Yeah.
shit.
I'll let you guys know when I get to the dick part. How about that?
Please do, man.
Oh, I think I need to rest. No, you know what? I'm gonna.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
I'll adjust it,
Don't
sorry.
stress. Don't stress.
Don't worry
just,
about it.
just let it free flow, dude.
I want to
So
hear.
what was this- no-
I want to hear more about your dentistine.
Yeah, we can do that.
Yeah.
What do you guys want?
I mean, I don't know. I haven't seen you.
Nastiest story.
Or yeah, I was gonna say.
Dude, I haven't seen
funniest
you.
story.
I haven't seen you probably
You saw me-
since his poetry reading.
Oh no, I mean you saw me like inside while you were outside the door though. Does that count?
Can you handle this? Because I
This is my boy.
Yeah, you
I
lead
mean,
the one.
physically, but yeah,
Yeah.
his poetry. Damn, that was ages ago, dude. Fucking COVID
Almost
fucked us
a
up.
year and some change.
Yeah, it must have been.
We can-
Was it
'cause-
February?
It was Valentine's
Yeah,
Day.
Valentine's Day.
It was
yeah.
holy shit right before the shit hit
Yeah.
the fan. Well, I mean, China, the shit was all over the place. But
We
it was-
went to-
we were getting a
We went to Tame Impala the day of.
dude.
The
My
day.
birthday, March 9th. I'm pretty sure at least 100 people in that stadium were infected, at least, and more got infected. We were lucky, dude. We had
wore
masks on,
masks.
and
We were
some
the
teenagers were
only
making fun of
ones.
us. We were
Yeah.
like, well, I'm not dealing with this shit,
No
man.
one's gonna address the subtle racism that he's like, yeah, well, China. He's like,
No, like we smell the shit hit the fan. The shit just kept going, and everyone's like,
he's like, those stinky ass Chinese. Like, that's what I
said it. He said it, everyone.
Yeah, I mean, you were fucking, yeah.
But
Yeah.
anyway, we can go back to that question. Yeah. So what do you guys want to hear? A nastiest story, funniest story? I got
I
a
mean-
nastiest story.
I
We just
okay.
ate though, but
No, so
I'm good with it because I've
the
seen.
only-
I've
like
seen
what I
nasty
want to
shit.
know is like what was like the day that like you felt like oh fuck, like I'm actually like
fulfilled.
No, no,
Yeah.
I feel no.
not fulfilled, but
I would say
because it took me a
like
while. I can say that.
Like I want to know if there's been a moment
where you
where
struggled.
you were looking at some teeth and you're just like,
I don't know if
you know
I
what?
can make
Yeah,
it.
you're like,
I'm
this is
leaving.
it. I'm good. I chose the wrong profession.
Yeah.
Walking out the door. Like
No,
what
actually-
like how do you get here?
Actually,
you know, like,
well,
I was
forgot
gonna
about
say
this.
like, don't you guys like look forward to seeing fucked up girls?
Dude. I fucking hated how we're in sync. Yeah, I was gonna say actually
why,
that.
you look forward to bad girls?
Yeah, I mean, especially at school, that's like a dream patient.
But isn't there like a stench?
yes.
Well, why?
I was about to get to that. That's my nastiest story, and I'm gonna tell stories about patients in Mexico because they're not gonna hear this. Like they're out there all
They're
the way
not gonna.
out there.
The American ones aren't gonna hear this either.
yeah.
No, I can't because I might get sued. Anyways, I forgot his
I think
name,
only
but
if
he
you say
had.
their names.
I forgot his name,
And I'll bleep it out.
he had 2 metal crowns down here, like straight up just silver metal crowns.
Right, as they do down
No form. It was just bulked out. But that's not the nasty part. The nasty part was his extraction all the way up here. It was just a rotting tooth. I know. I'm saying
It was a
rotting
dead tooth?
You guys are imagining. I know what you guys are imagining, but just times 200. I put on double mask. This was before. This was like 2012.
Oh, you're ahead of the COVID.
I was like way ahead of the curve. I was like, I'll be right back. And I was like, I can't. I told my assistants like, yo. He's like,
give me an oxygen mask.
I can't. We got to get double masks. And he said too, it's like, dude, I didn't want to say anything, but it's kicking. And it was it was a rotting tooth. They did a root canal on it, but he just left it there, and they had like no form. The second I pulled it out, his breath was just like 100, like way better. I mean, it was nasty way later on.
Yeah, I feel like it's like an open thing that would probably.
No, I mean,
spill out
no,
some
I know. As in,
iron.
like, he didn't care about his teeth, so it just still smelled. But it just like went from 100 to like an 80. You know what I mean?
Still shitty.
That's
Still
pretty bad, though.
Still shitty, yeah.
You don't want to be at a 15 or a 10.
Is there no way to? Is there a way to come back from that? Like it's at 80 right now. Can he just like perform, some personal
Like,
hygiene?
go to
and-
50 is the goal?
We have to find the root of the problem, like why it smells. Because some people have like beautiful teeth, and like, why does my mouth smell? It's either the tongue, it's either the gums. You have something stuck in there. It's
Right,
nasty. You got a bone problem. You got big pockets. You get a piece of steak up there for like months. What do you think it's gonna smell like? Like a rotting
Right.
butthole. Yeah. So we have to figure out what the
He
problem
talks
is.
about it like he really enjoys the smell.
I really. Oh no, I don't. I don't.
He's like, dude, it's a beautiful rotting butthole.
Erection achieved.
When I take my gloves out, I'm just like, no, I don't.
He's
do
like,
that.
you know what? That goes in the good pile. Don't throw those
No,
away.
I'm a super germaphobe. Back to the COVID thing. Like, I mean, I'm vaccinated and all that stuff now, but whatever. But still, I was super germaphobe. Like,
You're a
back then.
germaphobe, but you're
Yeah,
just inhaling these
You want to know
germs.
what's weird? I have a thing about
That?
no, I have a weird thing about saliva, but I see saliva like all the time. Can I elaborate?
please.
Can I elaborate?
Yeah, please.
Okay. For example, let's pretend we're at a restaurant and you wear a retainer.
Oh,
and
well,
you're
yeah. Oh,
eating.
and it's like, yeah.
And they're like, oh, the food's here, and like, and I was like,
Yeah.
oh, dude.
Yeah,
like, if
yeah,
I'm
yeah.
like, oh, yeah, I'm wearing scrubs right now, but if I was like, I was like, oh, dude, like, what are you doing,
Right,
dude?
right.
Yeah, or like family members at like Christmas. I keep forgetting about this. And then they come up to me.
He's all over the place.
They come up to me and then they're just like, oh, you got like a fucking un pinche tío. It's like, hey, pinche.
They fish hook you.
Yeah.
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 Why?
Like, oh, yeah. And no. Like they do this to themselves. Like, hey, check this shit out. I was like, oh, dude. Like
Because
I'm
they're
about to eat some turkey.
they're like,
with
I
my
have an
gramps.
issue.
Yeah.
And let me show you.
Yeah. And I was still at school. Obviously haven't seen anyone like for ages
Right.
because of COVID and everything. But the second, now that I have my license, they're going to be on that hard. You know what I mean?
So
And I was like, dude, I'm about to eat some, like turkey, mashed
You
taters.
ruined
You know
this
what I
for
mean?
me.
right.
Yeah, and it was it was like nasty tooth, like the one,
It was
the one I was just talking about. Yeah,
Yeah.
it wasn't like, can I get a cleaning? No, it's fucking like she's got a hole in there. Yeah, I don't want to say which deal, but you know who you are.
We'll share it with them.
But yeah,
We'll share it with them.
yeah. So
I
want to
go back to this crazy tooth though. So did you ever find out what
It
was
was
the cause
rotting.
of it?
They
Yeah,
did a
but-
root canal. When you do a root canal, you need to
I've had a
put
root canal. I get it.
You need to put a crown on it. You
Yeah,
have a
yeah.
crown on it. Yeah, because
Yeah,
it's pretend it's a tree, and if you do a root canal, it's like a hollow tree, and it's way weaker. This guy didn't do anything about it. It broke off. It wasn't a full tooth. It broke off.
Yeah.
And you just let it rot in there. That's the. It's not
So
the,
that
it's
was
not the easiest explanation. It's literally what happened.
So then that was the cause. Was the fact
It
that
was
he had a broken
a
crown?
No, he had way other problems, but that was the 20% that when it brought it down to like 80. Because that was just, it was
Right.
nasty.
So that was,
I feel
so
like
that
this
was
guy-
just a tip of the iceberg.
You do a deep cleaning, you get all that gunk out. You do, he's got cavities still. Yeah, this is just
Yeah,
the tip
but
of the
I'm
iceberg.
imagining this dude's gums are super inflamed too.
Yeah.
Like blood
And
everywhere.
then I
as
brought
you're
out
in
those crowns on the front, and those didn't help. And then the gums. That was the first thing I did after that, because we do things in phases, because you can't just I'm gonna extract some teeth and let's do some fillings and shit.
Right.
You gotta do phase 1, like the bloody shit, deep cleaning, extractions if you got them.
Yeah.
Let them heal, and then you do restorative, crowns, blah blah blah, and then recalls, or no, like dentures and stuff. That's like later on.
Yeah.
And then you
my
recall
pops
him.
will probably have dentures. He has bad teeth.
You bring them back every 6 months, and that's it. But this guy was just. What do you think about that so far?
But you weren't supposed to show me.
Oh, okay, sorry. No, what? I did? I said that?
Yeah, you said like
Can you
don't
play that
look.
back?
It's a
No, I
little
did say
thin.
that.
It's a little thin.
I
but
did
it's
say.
okay.
No, dude. That's. I don't want to spoil it.
All
That's,
right, don't say
Okay.
it. So I wanted.
I want to hear more about these dental horror stories because I feel like I have bad teeth.
Here's the thing. That's what like a lot of our patients say, and I mean our patients as in like doctors in general.
Right.
And then you sit them down, and you know who have the bad teeth, the ones that don't think they do. The ones that go, hey, what's up, dog? I haven't seen you in like forever. I'm like, yeah, we haven't seen you in like since even before COVID. We haven't seen you since 2017, like something like that.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, yeah. I'm sure I'm good like that. No.
Let me tell you something.
Whenever
though.
someone's like that, I was like, this guy's gonna have like root canals or something.
Exactly. Let me
Yeah.
tell you, because I haven't been to the dentist since before 2017. And that's why I'm saying I feel like my teeth are bad.
You want to do a live exam?
Yes.
No
do a live
way.
exam, dude. You
Let's
got
do
your
it.
gear. Poke around back
I got
there.
my mask, but we
Poke
have any
around
gloves?
back there.
Gloves? I was gonna say you don't have any gloves.
We'll free ball it, dude.
Just wash your hands.
I got an antibacterial shit. Just
Well,
You
no,
know?
I'm not. Oh, I won't stick my hands in that. That's cool. I can just look. I don't have to.
you can look, and just by looking, you could tell if my teeth are bad. I thought you have to
But
poke.
what do you mean by that? Like what? Like I can, if it's like obvious cavities, I can see that. Obviously, we need X-rays, but like
Yeah.
superficial stuff, I can see. Yeah.
How do you see an obvious cavity?
If it's brown or black,
Oh,
yeah, like a dot. Yeah.
I never even noticed that.
Yeah.
You didn't know that either, huh?
Like
It's hard to-
brown,
if-
like on the tooth. Like if
it's-
it's just a brown dot.
It's hard to do it on yourself because we have.
I seen Castaway. It's pretty easy.
Because we.
Yeah, I mean, he
Dude.
fucking does it.
I was just thinking about that because that street. Oh, I can't name
Tom's
the street.
Hank?
I can't name the street where I park because then they'll find out where he lives and then they'll come kill him.
yeah.
Don't do that.
It'll be all right. I live
Okay.
in a gated.
It was called Wilson.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a small world, everyone.
Yeah. That
Anyways, yeah, we could. Yeah, no, it's hard to tell by yourself
right.
because I need to.
Well, I'm also not trained, so I don't know
that's-
what I'm looking for.
No, but I mean, some people show up like, oh, I have a cavity back there. It's like, oh, I'm sure you do, buddy. And
Yeah.
then that sometimes they do. Sometimes it's obvious. Sometimes they're just based it off pain. They're like, oh, I drink something cold or I eat a lot of sugar. And then like, oh, and then it goes away. Like that's probably a cavity. If it doesn't go away, we're probably have to pull it out or
So
this
what's
is
the
probably my
sign of
best
like
work, guys. Like
sensitive
that.
teeth?
Damn. What's that? What?
I think everything would hurt, right? If it's
What would
sensitive.
hurt?
Like
That's-
I thought if you drank water in your teeth.
So that's what we asked to narrow it down to like figure out what's wrong. 'Cause
Right.
sometimes patients just show up like this area hurts. I was like, oh, thank you, Susan. Thank you for clearing that up, Susan. That's fantastic. Thank you. I'll be right back. Okay. And then we asked them all these questions. Cold when you chew, something like that.
Right.
And then that narrows it down. And if it's not obvious, then well, obviously they take an X-ray, so that helps a lot.
I don't have any of those symptoms.
The way
but-
I like to do, I think you're fine. The way I like to do it is,
So then I still don't need to go to the
I
dentist.
asked them, you guys have to go like every I
Every
remember
6
I
months?
got shit on this. I forgot.
She was talking shit about chiropractors. I gotta go every 6 months. That's a scam right there. That's a fucking scam.
No, at least children for sure every 6 months, every 3 or 6 months. Depends on the child and how,
3 to 6 months.
how disgusting they are. Yeah,
Well, yeah. Children.
depends on your gum problems. We might
Children
see
are
you
gross.
every 3 months. Yeah,
3 months.
that's up to the hygienist. Yeah,
Is it just because they're not brushing these children?
yeah. I saw a kid today. Well, never mind. I didn't see anyone today.
Allegedly.
I mean, I did see people today.
He
but I did
allegedly
not see this
saw a
kid
child.
today.
Hey,
Allegedly.
I got you. Continue.
But we were talking about back to that. The ones who think that they have problems, they usually don't. They usually don't because they're either paranoid and they do brush their teeth. And flossing is really important. Flossing is really
Ooh.
important, guys. Yeah,
I have an interesting question
Mhm.
because
go.
does he know Estelle?
I'm working on. Who
I
Estelle?
don't think so.
Yeah.
I don't think you know. Wait, do you? The French girl?
No.
Okay.
No.
So there's a.
Nicole's friend.
No,
No,
that's
no.
Anne Sophie.
I've only met like
I
French
can bleep
people,
these
but-
people, but you gotta let me know. But anyway, so this person is a French dentist, and they're
Uh-huh.
known for their teeth. And
I
so
smoke a lot, so
she was giving me some dental advice when I was out there in 2018. And I was
you're
like-
you're
I
gonna
was-
set me up for something that
no, I was just like this.
I
this-
can't like talk shit about other I mean chiropractors, yeah, but like other dentists,
Why can't you like
that's against our like code.
your oath?
I mean,
then?
I'll do it if like
really?
yeah.
Because I feel like
off mic and
I
shit.
feel
I'll
like-
talk shit about anyone, dude.
there's plenty of doctors from other countries that talk shit about other doctors. You
Oh,
can't-
other countries. Oh, you know what?
This is a
yeah.
different
oh, you know what?
country.
Oh, yeah,
She's
yeah.
from France.
She's from France. You,
know
can
what?
talk shit
yeah,
about
that's right. They've never won a war.
Yeah,
Okay, go.
but that has nothing to do with their teeth.
Well,
Maybe it does. Maybe it does. Maybe there's a deep-seated connection here. So yeah. How do you recommend?
This come out great.
How
guys.
do you recommend
Uh-huh.
I brush my teeth?
Oh, that's what you asked her. I know exactly what I'm gonna tell you. What did she tell you? Or do you want me to tell you first?
I want
before-
you to tell me
Okay.
first, because then I could tell you what she told me.
So as children, they always teach us like the circular method.
Right.
Am I right? Okay.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. I don't remember that. Maybe I do. But as a child, well, a little context. As a child, I had a bunch of shit going on, so I was like paranoid. Blah blah blah.
Uh-huh.
But anyways, the circular method, That's for children because in layman's terms, it's just easier for them to understand. You know, it's
Okay.
just it's because children.
Children are dumb. Yeah.
Children are dumb. Thank
They
you.
are. Yeah, yeah. I work
So
with my
just
mom
circle,
daily.
circle, circle. Once the real ones come out, then we gotta take care of them. You know what I mean? But that was
Right.
practice and stuff like that. Okay. And then they get mixed dentition, which means they get both, like that awkward phase. Not teenagers, but that's like 7 or 8, and then it's like, oh, that's when they need to practice how to floss. But the correct method, once you get all of them, is the easy way I explain to patients is like a broom, and then soft bristle, everyone, if you don't want your gums to go away. And then I didn't even know that until I studied dentistry. I didn't
Oh
know
yeah, I'm
that.
gonna have. Did you see my toothbrush?
I didn't know.
I want you to take a look at my toothbrush and be like, hey, this is the wrong brand,
I
wrong
didn't know.
style.
No, it doesn't matter brand. It doesn't matter. It matters the
well,
softness.
who's selling hard bristles?
the
then?
softness. I don't know. Some crazy motherfuckers that they want to just like, yeah.
Okay.
But
dentists
but you have to
at least 9 of them.
You have to get
dude.
like a little bit under the gum and then pretend, okay, we're brushing up the up teeth, the ones upstairs.
Right.
You get under the gum like that, like a broom, and then like that.
Really?
You know what I'm saying? And stick the bristles just a little bit under the gum.
That's not gonna
In the
push
gum.
the gum and like no.
If it's a soft,
I mean, if it's a soft one, and if you're going like normal pressure,
right.
That's what
What's
I'm trying to
normal
get at.
pressure?
but if you're
doing
like
on my
trying to
skin.
actually dig on
Just
there,
like just
feels
brush
so
it,
nice.
yeah. Exactly, dude. You just brush your teeth.
So that's
But
how
the thing
soft
is,
you're
the
going.
thing is, now it's gonna take like a lot longer. How long do you take? Well, me, I still
like-
got braces on.
What, like 10 seconds? No.
I still got braces on, so I have to do everything like water pick and all that shit because I'm paranoid. About
God,
my
dude.
teeth.
So how long does it take for you to brush your teeth? As a dentist, what is it? We were looking like 10, 15 minutes.
Well, I doubled my time because of the braces.
30?
Yeah, I'm gonna take them off soon. No, not 30. Like
Didn't you already have
7 or 10
braces?
minutes. Yeah, when I was a kid. The context. When I was a kid, I had a bunch of just metal shit in my mouth. Everything.
Yeah.
Like those little like a trampoline.
I remember
Trampoline? You mean-
you had one that looked
They
like
put this
spikes
little-
under.
And then and then when I was at school, it was like
Why?
when I was at school, they taught us an ortho class, and they started putting up all the pictures, and I got these Kill Bill flashbacks. Like I just saw red. It's like I had all of those, and they were horrible.
Yeah.
Why? They use them to split your bone open so it makes more space. The lower ones to train my tongue because I would push my teeth like that. I had an open bite, but now I'm gonna get them off soon. Yeah. Cause
I have an overbite.
Because you can't. No, open bite.
What the
like-
fuck is that?
well, that's exactly what it
Oh.
sounds like. Like just the back ones would hit, and then canine to canine would be like, yeah, like that.
Wow.
Yeah, I had that for years, and I didn't even know, So I started studying, and then I was like, I
Wait.
have that. I have that.
Before you proceed, didn't you say in college you tried seeing how many chips you could fit in your open bite?
Yeah, it was 3 tostitos. Chile verde, yes.
Oh.
Salsa verde. Yeah, I saw that. Salsa verde. No, it was 3, and they had to be flat because some of them come out curved and
Curved,
shit.
yeah.
You know what I mean? But it was 3. Yeah, we tested it several times. We tried to get 4, but not a miracle.
They broke. They cracked.
Not a miracle worker. Yeah.
Okay, so then honestly, her advice was kind of similar. I thought it was
Uh-huh.
gonna be wrong. I honestly thought it was gonna be
Because I think that hasn't changed since. Because some stuff does not change for us, like since.
Shit don't change.
There you go. Because some people we still use metal fillings, like that shit since.
That's stupid, but
Yeah.
Like lead fillings?
Yeah, well, they're not lead, dude. There's a little bit of lead in it. Yeah.
yeah.
I mean, you ate Lucas and shit.
Yeah. I have fillings that are like ceramic.
I have that.
Those are the good. Well, not good. It depends too. Some doctors think if you're gonna fill a big hole, like a big filling,
Tell me how you fill a big hole.
just no peeking.
I know.
I'm not looking. I'm actually. Looking
I was looking right at it.
because I, as the judge,
Yeah,
I was like, no, I was looking right at
I
it.
was looking right at it. Like that meat was that SpongeBob with his eyes are like down on the map.
What? Wait, we
Wait,
got
no,
sidetracked. We got sidetracked.
Don't
What
derail.
happened?
Don't derail.
You
The ceramic.
She was right.
fillings.
She was right.
She's
Oh.
right. But he mentioned ceramic fillings. You were about to elaborate.
Oh,
on
it depends on the size. It depends what kind of
If you want
doctor
to
you
fill a
ask.
big hole, that's where you cut you
Yeah,
off.
some doctors they like to just bulk fill, and some if it's a big filling and like sensitivity and stuff, you might as well. If it's a tooth in the back, it's cheaper.
Ceramic's cheaper.
No, as in I'm talking about the metal fillings.
I was
Yeah.
just talking about.
It's cheaper, big filling, sensitivity, that shit.
I just remember.
If done right, those last ages. Those last way more than the ceramic ones.
I just
Technically.
remember going to the dentist.
Are you
and-
telling? Wait.
But people get freaked out, like the shit he just said, like yeah. I mean, but
And-
we do
You're
things
telling me my
correctly.
ceramic ones might need to be replaced someday?
Eventually, mine too. I have some fillings. I'm not
Oh,
ashamed to say
shit.
that.
Yeah, but you saying the metal ones last forever.
if they're done right. But if you crack that tooth and then the cavities get in there, it's a lot of things that could happen.
Shit.
If everything is, I sound like an idiot, but if everything is done, obviously, if everything's done right, everything's gonna be okay. God damn. This is
Well, then you're
beautiful.
gonna have to take a look at my mouth, make sure it's done right. You know?
You have metal fillings? No.
No, I don't have any metal ones.
So the dentist I went to, I just remember he looked at one of my teeth and he singled out one tooth and he was like, "This tooth right here is fucked up." So when
What's the name of your dentist? That guy's awesome.
and then basically
He's like, this one right here, it's a real piece of shit. All right.
It just looks at it like,
Yeah.
who the fuck scheduled this guy?
apparently I had multiple cavities on one tooth, and he just
well, yeah, technically, yeah. You can
and
do
then he
that.
just
I mean,
like
it's on the one tooth.
and then he just made like one huge hole, and then filled it up.
He was probably talking about this top surface. This is the tooth, and then this is the top.
Right.
Because surfaces, like when I tell my assistant, like a new patient exam, like how many surfaces is the cavity on? Because then that's where we get that's where we get the money involved. That's insurance because they would charge you more. You know what I mean? So he probably
that's when you would get the money, like you're getting a cut.
no,
if
not
that's
me.
more?
Well, technically, yeah, but I have no idea how to work the insurances and stuff. So
We'll figure it out off cam.
We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out.
So
We'll get the
what
formula
you
going.
probably had, yeah, he probably screwed you over a little bit.
Yeah.
You probably just had cavities on the top, and he was like,
He's like, this whole mouth's gonna have to go, dude.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Some doctors are like, I've had working interviews. Some doctors are like that. They're just like, I show up and that's diagnosed, and I look at the assistants like, I'm not doing that because that's
Oh, it's because
Yeah.
you're still new in the game, and
not new in the game, but like I'm not doing
fuck
that. And
someone
I
over.
know my generation, like of like fellow colleagues, like Aldo and Victor, like we have to be. They didn't teach us that, but we want less invasive, like minimum invasion, you know, because that's just it's a shame, you know.
I don't know, but
Yeah.
sure.
Here I am drawing dicks.
Yeah.
Heartbreaking.
He's so focused on the dick. I feel like we annoy him.
Yeah,
with dental questions.
I
We're
got
like, he's like, guys,
I'm
do you want
doing
do
something.
you want a good dick or not?
I got-
Because, like,
I got a good stop.
I'm not looking. I'm telling you, I'm 100%
I got a good body
on-
to it, but
This is my dick now.
Yeah,
This is my dick.
it's my dick now.
I really suck at drawing like hands and stuff.
Well, maybe on your lunch break.
I spoiled that a little bit. He has hands. Anyways.
He has
This dick has
Oh,
hands.
he or she.
Oh, in this day and age, it might be.
Yeah, might be.
However, this person identifies.
But yeah. Yeah, he probably said, or I have to look at your x-rays.
So, are conspiracy theorists incorrect about fluoride?
Ooh, can we talk about yes.
They are.
Yeah.
So,
Well,
they should have
I'll
it in
gi-
our water.
I'll give him this. Well, I'm sure they talk about fluoride being like mind control or something like that,
Maybe
right? Or like,
extreme. If you're
or like
going-
if they, or
You've
like
never
if,
heard about this?
I've never
or
heard
like a
about
certain
this.
frequency and someone explodes or something.
Mind control?
I know
Yeah.
that's
Fluoride.
I know that's a hot topic since like conspiracy since forever.
yeah.
They
Really?
Put, they put it in the
They put it in the water. Don't add fluoride to the latest wacko. Is this 2018?
the latest
Fluoride
No,
and
they've been talking
IQ.
about it for
What is the
Communist
link?
conspiracy theory.
Is fluoride bad for you? Conspiracy theories and facts? What do you think?
Is fluoride bad for you? Right off the bat, it depends how much they put on it, and there's different forms of it, like really concentrated stuff, and this usually happens to kids.
Yeah, I was a fluoride kid.
There you go. Your mom probably drank in the womb.
No.
Oh, the water
What?
the water you drank. Yeah,
No,
it passes on.
No,
I'm not kidding.
I understand that.
Uh-huh.
I understand how
So
that
you
works.
drank the
No,
water.
no,
You were the fluoride kid.
I'm not even gonna. Yeah.
Sorry.
Flow kid.
Sorry,
So-
I told you not to.
No, that's fine. That's fine. Because then you can answer this question: is bad teeth genetic?
Is bad. That's a good question too.
This is past.
I
fail.
don't know. It's because
You guys don't
it's
study
up there.
genes?
It's up there with I did study one thing that is genetic. One specific thing that I remember right now before I drink this. It's caused by shit. If I say it wrong, I sound like an idiot. It's caused by the mom having.
we can look it up.
She has
Doesn't
oh yeah,
have a
look
name.
up Hutchinson's
Hutchinson's.
incisors. That's genetic, so we can use that as an example. See, mulberry molars, that's the ones on the back.
Notched incisors known as Hutchinson's
syphilis.
teeth.
Yeah.
Oh well, I don't think my parents have syphilis.
No, I know, no, but I'm just an example. That
What?
Because the parent had syphilis, they pass it on to the kid, and then they're born with. I guess if you guys want to look at the images, because I know what it looks like.
Look it up.
Yep, we're going to the
And
images.
those are the teeth that they're born with, right there.
Oh, these are like monster teeth.
Yeah.
Okay, well my teeth don't
not
look like
all
this.
of them are like that, but
This looks like a monster.
Hutchinson's would be the normal one. Would be the
Oh
one you just
my
passed by. Yeah, that one.
God.
Yeah. And then the molar variant is towards the back. Mulberry molars. They just look like mulberries. It's the same thing,
Whoa.
but it's the same thing, but it happens to the
What
back.
in the?
What's going on
So
here, man?
in a way, you can't pass stuff over.
Right,
'cause
but what
that's
the fuck is this, dude? But that's like
Is that a
directly-
rotten tooth?
Oh, that's not. That's just something. That's something else. I don't
That
even know
looks
what
like
is.
a
That's
staph infection
Yeah, it's
in
probably
on
like
the roof.
cancer. Don't even. Yeah.
So okay,
That was depressing too. When I had to study that shit, I had to look at.
Oh, it's Earth Day,
pictures.
guys.
hey,
Happy Earth Day, dude. Jinx.
Hey, so but that's like a direct connection if one of the parents or your mother. has
Yeah,
syphilis.
so that's
What I'm talking
that's
about is
kinda
like
dental.
over like a generational thing because I was told that since my father, his side of the family like has bad teeth,
Yeah.
they gave me like fluoride. Like my mom would put apply fluoride when I was like a young kid, directly like on my teeth, and
Fucked it up.
as a result, my teeth are obviously better than his. And so they were like, "Oh, that's probably why." I was like, "Is it though?" Like, I don't know.
Yeah.
Fluoride, yeah, that's what fluoride does. It makes some teeth less. Well, I guess it makes them less impenetrable to like cavities and stuff. But if you use too much on a kid,
Then
now
the
you
government can
look up-
control the
You
mind.
can look up fluorosis. That's what that is.
And that's what
Fluorosis.
controls the mind.
That's what controls the mind.
No, nothing controls the mind.
Oh, that's
Only-
not true.
Only love.
Yeah.
Fluorosis like that.
Yeah.
Oh.
Sorry, I gotta fix this.
It's-
I'm almost done. I need to fix this because I made a huge mistake. So here
Tooth
we go.
whitening, another procedure to remove surface stains, another bleaching, blah blah blah. Fluorosis. I mean, does fluorosis go away?
The child ones do, but if you give them too
I'm
much,
gonna go images again.
I remember.
if you give them too much, the adult ones come out.
Have you ever seen like?
Oh, like this whitening stuff that
Yeah.
happens.
Oh.
It's not cavities. It's not.
It looks
stained.
like calcium on my shower
Yeah,
door.
it's not cavities. It's not stained.
I've seen a lot of
But-
people with that.
Yeah,
I've
but
seen
you
that.
can't. You can live with it. There's no problem to it. If anything, like you
Right.
said, those teeth are like super soldiers, you know, but they look.
They just
They're
look
a
weird.
little
They're just-
fuck. They got a little Agent Orange on them. And
I've
shit.
totally seen that. So that's what it is. I've seen that.
Yeah, I've seen that.
There was this one
Yeah.
hot chick that had it, and I was like, "What?"
I was gonna say a lot of pretty girls used to have
Yeah, I
it.
was
Yeah.
like, "Dude, you're cracking, but what's going on
Fluoride
with these
girls.
teeth?"
Yo, fluoride girls, Florida
Oh yeah,
girls.
that's a new. That's
Fluoride
like
girls?
a new
Yeah.
fucking like genre.
I remember,
like summer song.
I remember this like Cameron Diaz looking girl, red lipstick, and like those little white stains on the teeth, and being like, damn,
Like, damn, that's kind of hot.
kinda, yeah, like the little imperfection, you know?
I like
it's
that.
like,
It's like having a mole on the face.
Yes,
but it's all over
yes.
their teeth.
Let me get those stains out.
I guess.
But you can't get those out ever.
We could do a crown. We could do like, but that's
But that's-
invasive.
yeah.
the teeth
So,
don't
like,
go back.
Like you can't
Like if
bleach
people,
the shit out of it, or is that just gonna weaken it? And
it weakens the teeth. Yeah,
yeah.
eventually it does.
Don't cork it up yet.
Those.
My
those-
man. Yeah, let's get weird.
I mean, yeah, you know,
yeah. That's cool, man. I wanted to get you in here for all these dental questions. You know?
keep it coming then. No, but that's permanent, dude. You can do crowns and stuff, but some veneers.
Veneers.
You know, Jesus, Brian. come
Veneers
on.
You don't
are
have to drink it all.
yeah.
I'll drink whatever you don't
The
want.
veneers are
Now
the
I have to drink.
He's gonna
are the
have-
fake teeth. They're all
Yeah.
fake.
I thought that's the best way to go.
Oh, you guys want to compare what difference between?
Is that not
There's a
good?
difference between veneers and crowns. Sorry, let me get.
Wait, is that not good?
But
though?
like you can do your whole grill as veneers.
Yeah, because you know how like a lot of celebrities do that.
Yeah.
Celebrities will just they're like, you know what? Knock them all out. Let's get some fucking.
So
Beautiful
what
veneers.
is the action? So do they just grind all their teeth off?
No. What? No. Veneers, they usually reserve them for. You can do them on the back teeth, but that's harder, and that's kind of. Hey, whoa.
I'm not looking.
But that's hey.
I'm not looking. I'm not looking.
You saw there's like a little extra section. Oh, okay, I had to use two pieces of paper, ladies and gentlemen. Anyways, okay, we're done with that. I'm done.
You're done already?
Maybe touch it up. Yeah, I can touch it up.
Yeah,
touch it up. Details.
Hey,
Jazz
give
it
me some
up.
time. Give me
Jazz
some
it up.
time. I'm gonna
We'll
put-
come back.
There
to
is
it.
no rush.
Yeah.
There's no rush. Yeah, I know.
Put some like
But
Christmas
like the
ornaments.
rough sketch is done, ladies and gentlemen. The rough sketch is done. I just need to put little details. You know, Jesus,
On
just
the
beautiful.
veneers.
I'm gonna take. Do you want this or can I take
I don't
this?
know. I'm not looking.
Can I-
Veneers.
Can we just take a break and take them to the bathroom? So veneers. Veneers are. Oh, the back teeth. They usually don't do them, but we can. I haven't done one yet, but I did do crowns in school. Crowns is a 360. Veneers is 180. Like just the front. If I
that's all. It's like a cap.
if I
just in
kind
the
of
front?
explain myself, yeah. If I can, yeah.
Oh
So
shit.
here's your front tooth, the ones like the most basic tooth. It's a tooth, and then we shave it, and then the veneer goes like this. You see this?
Right. Yeah.
And then a
Clips right
crown
on.
is
all the way around. Yeah.
and then like that.
Yeah.
I personally, if you're just gonna go for it, I personally just get a crown because they make them now with new material that there's no metal, so it's like there's no gray spots. There's
The veneers have metal.
no, but they're just. I mean, if you're gonna just start grinding teeth down, you might as well just do a crown.
Right.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
So, I had no idea what veneers actually were. Did you know how that was done?
I just
They
remember
became
seeing.
more popular because of that.
I just remember seeing.
It's more aesthetic and because they use it usually from K9 to K9.
Rob Dyrdek's Fantasy Factory, and
They're easier to chip off too. Obviously,
one of
they're not 100.
the Fantasy Factory people got his whole grill done in veneers.
Yeah.
grill as in like metal grill, like a
No,
rapper grill.
his teeth.
I mean, you can do that.
Yeah.
And I just remember they showed like the process, and I remember they went in on him to check on like when they had just grinded his teeth, and he looked fucked.
Yeah, it probably
up,
looks
dude.
like those.
There were probably crowns then because they leave nubs.
Well, yeah, they left
Yeah.
nubs.
Because veneers, you look straight on, it looks like just like a smaller tooth
So I was gonna
because
ask,
they just shave the front.
like I've seen people with fake teeth that like don't
Me too.
have like the spaces in between the teeth.
Oh, that's weird. Like Steve Harvey or something.
Luis Miguel.
Yeah.
No.
Oh,
Like those
okay,
like those fake teeth.
But they still have the like.
It's like dentures or something, but like they look just so
too
obviously
fake.
fucking fake. Yeah.
Right.
Oh,
Where it's just
yeah.
like, it looks like one solid piece. They don't look like individual.
Oh yeah,
fucking teeth.
that's my little pet peeve. Not pet peeve, but I can just tell right away. I can tell right away. Watching videos like bum fights or something like that guy has no teeth,
You
dude.
used to watching this or
Oh
what?
hell yeah!
What?
I mean, what are we doing here?
Why?
What are we doing here?
Why are you watching that?
It's
But, I mean, no, not
entertainment.
now. I mean,
Well, he's saying he is.
oh now?
I haven't looked it up recently. Because I remember.
No, I mean like in high school. Who did it?
yeah,
You know?
Because I
no.
remember.
That was the only thing on YouTube. It was that and music videos.
Yeah.
No, because I remember they used to show it like on DirecTV. Like paper, like you had to pay for it.
I'm leaving, dude.
I just remember. I just
hate him
remember
so much.
Adrian and I being like, "Yo, let's watch this shit." And I tried reminiscing the
getting-
other day.
Dude, I literally
Okay.
thought, so theoretically, is this possible? Because I thought
Then yes. I like this now.
you like it now, huh? Yeah.
Sorry.
It's
Yeah.
it's nice.
Okay.
So, like I said, my pops got bad teeth, and I was just kind of thinking, to avoid all that, why don't I just fucking remove them all together and just like screw some shit up in there? and
Why
then
does
do a
why does
crown?
everyone? You know what everyone says? Yeah, that too.
Is that
but
possible?
Then,
Robot
but,
teeth?
but then when you figure out what one implant costs,
Yeah.
then you're just gonna say like no.
How much is
We can talk about prices now. No, that's like no. It's because we usually tell them like roughly depends where you go to, like the doctor, the surgeon that does it.
I'm going to you.
But like the cheapest, I don't do implants. Maybe
I'm
later.
going to who you recommend.
Maybe later. The cheapest implants, like you're up in like thousands, dude.
Yeah, for one tooth
Yeah.
though.
Yeah.
Right?
So why do you want
He's
to
got
rip
4.
every? No, but you're telling me you're thinking like no, why rip them all out? You know?
Well, because it's
crazy.
either that or risk some kind of like crazy infection that's inevitable. because
No,
he
dude.
flosses every day, like multiple times. Fucking brushes his
Then
teeth,
you floss every day too.
and he still has issues. So I'm just like, yeah, I don't want that.
Well,
it
it's
doesn't- it
one
seems
thing-
like inevitable.
It's one thing. It's one thing that he started doing that like after they told him he had.
No,
problems
he's
and
been
stuff.
doing this like since I was like he just has bad teeth.
But you from here, you look fine. You don't have 4 teeth.
I know I don't. I'm just
know.
saying, yeah.
But I mean,
Yeah.
you should have a couple missing by now. You know what I mean?
I don't have a couple missing.
No, I said you should have.
Yeah,
if
if
you
your
think
teeth was
it's that
bad,
bad.
yeah.
Oh,
you
yeah,
know?
yeah.
If you're going that genetic route, but no, I don't think so.
Right.
And we're still doing that exam later, so
Yeah, that's right. We're doing.
so
an
we gotta
exam.
finish this ad. No, I don't have any instruments, but we have gloves? We can find gloves now.
Maybe.
don't have any
Well, there's a
fucking
corner store around
We'll
here.
just I can look inside. It's fine. Yeah,
Yeah.
I don't have to.
Like,
I'll put my mask
Well,
on.
behind
though.
the scenes footage, we're just gonna look at my mouth. Oh, man. If you spit in my mouth, dude.
I'll pay you. what else? Yeah.
Oh my
I don't
God.
think. Yeah, but back to the genetic stuff.
You don't know.
Not that, but yeah, I don't think so. Because you could say I don't know. Well, I did say I don't know.
I guess he doesn't know.
Because like that example, there's some examples that you could pass on.
Yeah, the syphilis
like,
one.
Like dental.
I feel like
problems,
if you have syphilis, you probably shouldn't be giving birth to children anyway.
Yeah. Well, a lot of people don't know they got it.
Well,
How do you not know
you got
that shit?
syphilis from just having a lot of children, probably.
Dude, the syphilis fucks with your brain.
Yeah.
Like,
Eventually, yeah.
Like Al Capone, huh?
yeah.
Yeah. Benjamin Franklin.
Yeah, well, you know, my man Ben.
My
Well,
man
I
Ben.
mean,
Slinging dicks
yeah,
from
all the
across
founding
Atlantic.
fathers had like
Yeah, apparently.
they had everything. They
Yeah.
invented it.
Apparently, your boy George Washington had wooden teeth.
Yeah. They're up in the museum somewhere.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You didn't know this about?
No,
about
I know
George?
he had wooden teeth, but I didn't know they were still around.
Look them up. It's like a block of tooth. It's not even. And then they carved little teeth into the block.
What?
Just so that he can eat or smile, I guess. He was a politician, for God's sakes.
Okay, let's go. Images.
There you go. Oh, are they real teeth then?
That's what I'm saying.
Oh. No,
weird.
that one's just metal teeth. You see that there on the bottom?
So
That's crazy. Yeah, so I guess they're real. No, I don't think they're real teeth. They're probably just made like.
Look at this like smile.
See, look, they're giving them. They're like it's like wood, no, like white wood.
Yeah, it's weird. Wait, what about this one? That looks like wood.
yeah, that
Yeah,
looks.
see, then yeah, it must be.
But
some
that's
kind
not-
I'm not a carpenter. They probably like different kinds of wood.
Wow.
But they're like
Something in-
they're
it's some-
dentures though, essentially, right?
It seems like it,
he
yeah.
had no teeth then, or maybe like 2 or 3. But they didn't
Weird.
care back then, dude.
Well, I mean, he was British.
It's like in Japan, dude.
The
In
Brits
Japan,
aren't really known for their teeth.
Dude, in Japan, they don't give a fuck about their
They
teeth.
don't, dude. And it's
Japan,
kind
they
of a shame.
don't. They care more about
Dude.
their phone, huh?
Yeah.
They need to have the nicest phone.
I mean,
I saw some fucked up girls out there,
I
dude.
bet.
Like, hey, I love that Felipe Esparza joke. He was like, they had like the type of teeth that like, if they bit an apple, it looked like 3 people bit it.
There's ethnic. Well, I don't know if you guys want to get into that, but there's ethnic stuff behind like teeth and stuff. Yeah, Japanese,
Really?
the British. Yeah, that's in their background, dude. I studied in Mexico.
I
And,
feel like we're getting into some dangerous territory.
I studied-
and I say let's just
no,
dive right in.
no. We'll move. Past
No.
that.
I need to talk about it.
I studied in Mexico, and whenever we would register a patient that's at least, even from our age, like older,
Yeah.
it's a 35% chance they have either hypertension or diabetes. Like just right off the bat. Just right, and then if they have double,
That's a diet thing.
yeah, yes, I was about to get to that. And the kids, they have a lot of cavities. You know why? Coca-Cola is cheaper than a bottle of water.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like the big ass Coca-Cola.
Yeah.
And I would just show up to the clinic with when we would have to treat kids and they're waiting outside. The waiting room was like outside, so they could run around and shit. And
soda
this
machine.
mom, no, she just with like a little straw. This like a baby, dude, like a baby,
Sick.
like just like on her lap, and she's like a little straw. It's like, oh god, dude, like
That's dope.
it wasn't my patient, but still, it's like someone's gonna have to treat that kid. Like,
Did you just like go up to the mom and you're like, respect, you know?
Like, you never
like
been.
thanks for business? No, not really.
Yeah, I think that's great.
Not really.
That is great for business.
Yeah.
Imagine
It's
his
not my-
office
it's
has
not
like
my
a soda
patient.
machine and a candy bar section.
So
Like, I wanna
kids-
save
kids
them.
drinking soda at a dentist's office is like,
Yeah.
it's like a good thing, but like,
Yo, this is a scam.
yeah, but like,
It was like drinking at an AA meeting.
at the fucking airport, and the kids all hopped up on a soda, dude,
Dude, that's the worst.
and you're just trying to sit in your chair.
The
That's
worst.
the worst, dude.
Oh,
Oliver scares children on airlines.
I tried to. I tried to.
I have a horror story too, like a flight story. It
Like
involved
what?
a kid. It involved a woman throwing up. It involved a kid crying more because she threw
Because
up.
she threw up. Was it
Yeah.
his mom?
I didn't smell it, but she was right.
What is up with him smelling these things?
She was just 1.5 like corner. Like she was just like right there, pretty much.
Right.
She's where the speaker is,
Okay.
and then this is the aisle. It's
That's
just
not
like-
on the camera, but
I'm
there's a
just
speaker
like-
right there.
Yeah, there's a speaker right there. Everyone just
Yeah.
And it's like, oh no. And then we're not even, we're in liftoff. We're like in the angle.
Yeah, yeah.
And she's like, nope. Just crinkle. Like, it was one of those red eyes where I would get there like at 6. And yeah. It's like crinkle. It's like, oh man. If that
But it's because of the
smells-
angle, it's just like, ah.
Yeah. That's just, she's like trying to go like this. It's like, if that smells, that's going to smell the whole
flight.
dude.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
like,
And then
but-
you're gonna start
But it
throwing
didn't
up.
smell. Yeah. But she's just like, but the child was crying the whole time too.
It was her child?
I haven't gone on a plane in a long time. No, it wasn't her, unrelated child.
Oh.
Yeah.
Just random bystander,
Just
innocent
random
bystander. Yeah.
asshole kid, yeah. But well, we can talk about.
When was the last time you were on a plane? You saying a while? What's a while?
Fuck,
that's a good question.
Where was the last time you like? Where did you go? If you say
Fuck.
Mexico, dude, that's not
Here?
something.
No, here. Like I came back.
Oh, okay. So from Mexico.
So Jesus, yeah.
Have you been
Holy
abroad?
shit. I've been on a cruise since.
No,
then, yeah.
you just.
You've
Wait.
only been to Mexico? You've never even
I was
gone to the
gonna
Great
say-
White North?
Yeah. Oh, like in my whole life?
Yeah.
Didn't
I went to
you just-
Japan. That's a little
No,
part of summer.
but
Okay, so
didn't-
he's gone abroad.
Didn't you go to like San Francisco and shit
That is
recently?
definitely not abroad.
No,
Recently?
no, no. Or was that like 2 years ago already?
It was probably pre-coof.
Probably.
It was pre-coof.
Yeah.
What is that?
Yeah.
Coof. The coof. 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 You know.
COVID.
Yeah. Come on, man. Are you kidding me? I'll look up coof right now. That's a real thing.
That's a good question. Yeah, I guess when I came back. Because I came back and I had to study because I had to
Oh,
get
this is now they changed it.
I had to get my
He's
shit together.
checking on one's own
What?
face.
Oh, I know about that.
What? I never heard of
You
that.
definitely know about that.
There it is. Yeah, like see, slang for coronavirus pandemic. Yeah, coof was there.
At one point.
Yeah,
But
they-
now
Oh,
it's,
but
They
It's
changed
over,
it.
though.
Yeah, now
Yeah.
it's over. Now it's come on own face.
You gotta keep up with the kids, dude. They just come up with this on
These
the
fucking
fly.
kids these days. Dude. That's why I stay in teaching. I just gotta know what they're.
Do you think the kids of today are appreciating Shrek as much as they should?
Oh,
I don't know.
somebody once told me.
Yeah, you wanted to discuss the
think-
brilliance.
Do you
that
think
is Smash
children
Mouth.
respect Shrek? Absolutely not. Do they know what it means to respect Shrek? No.
From your tone, it sounds like you believe they should.
Of course.
Shrek is love, dude. Shrek is life.
He was one of the first animated pictures to beat Pixar.
Right.
Right? Am I right?
I don't
think
know.
so?
I mean,
And
Let's
this is the 20th.
I'm right. You know what? Yeah, I'm right.
This is
go
the,
with it.
the
Let's go with it.
20th
Let's go with it.
anniversary of getting Shrek.
Shrek was the number
Oh,
one
yeah.
grossing movie
I
of all
texted-
time.
Just a little
I sent it to him.
Yeah, a
He
little
knows.
background. I texted him, I was like, what are we going to talk about today? He just sent back two things. He said Shrek and then Shrek soundtrack. So let's just get started with the first thing, okay? Here we go.
Before that, can we watch the?
Have you seen this?
Yeah.
Yes.
I mean, I've seen the original video,
Yeah.
but I know where it's going.
Yeah.
Go do it. Yes. The little leg killed it for me.
I was gonna say. I
I was like, wait, it's not coming yet. It's not coming yet, but the leg. I was like,
I don't think Brian knows Shrek is love. Shrek is life.
Shrek,
It sounds familiar, but I might not. Let's see.
as in like the
The reason
like
why.
the saying, or what do you mean? Like what it means? Like the way of life?
This one?
Yeah.
I think
Like,
I've seen this.
Yeah, the reason why Shrek
No, I'm
is,
kidding. Yeah, Shrek is
so-
Shrek.
I've
but-
seen this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so you have seen this. Okay, yeah. That's the reason why Shrek is just so loved.
Right.
He's the reason why we're here.
So I want to hear your take on Smash Mouth, though. You're a big
Oh,
fan,
what
huh?
about- No, I'm kidding,
Come on.
dude.
Are you? No, you shouldn't be because
Speaking
All-Star-
of Koof and Smash Mouth, they were early in the pandemic. They came under fire because they put on a concert. And they're like, "Fuck Corona, and fuck all that shit. We're gonna party."
Oh, yeah.
And then like 2 weeks later, it's like,
They all got it?
Died, yeah.
Oh, like 400 cases from the Smash Mouth concert. Oh no! Oh, you said they all like Smash Mouth just died. I think we would have found that out,
Dude,
But no,
that-
like so many cases. Obviously,
I
so many
mean,
cases.
You kind of should.
I mean,
No,
it's a-
should've-
wasn't Guns N'
It's
Roses
a Smash
doing
Mouth
the same
concert, so
thing?
you're gonna catch something else too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You might as well just
Yeah.
catch COVID, dude.
It's either that or venereal for sure.
Yeah, at a Smash Mouth concert.
Yeah.
But
What were
I
you
was gonna
saying?
say, didn't Guns N' Roses do like their last like show in Mexico City during like the peak of COVID? They were
No,
like, yeah,
not
fuck it, like,
I don't think so, especially Mexico. Mexico's
Guns N'
fucked
Roses
up
still
right now.
around?
yeah, dude, they've been touring.
Really?
Yeah,
They're still around, dude.
I thought Axl Rose was like, fuck Guns N' Roses, dude.
Dude, he needs money.
I mean, they all need money. What the hell's Slash doing these days?
That.
looking good. I don't know.
He does have great hair.
Yeah,
The man.
That's not real, dude.
You don't think it's real?
No,
think
it's
it's
like
real.
it's like Brett.
No,
what's his
dude,
name?
he signed up for Hims. It's real. It's real.
Sponsored by.
This episode is sponsored by Hims.
we need to try to get some sponsors going, dude.
We
Fleshlight,
need to get.
dude.
We need to get.
Fleshlight.
You gotta snatch up Fleshlight because Joe Rogan's done with that. So
Well, he was done with that like 8 years ago. But,
exactly.
But here's the thing.
What's
we
up?
we need to actually promote more people to like and subscribe.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Morning drinkers.
that is
Share
true. I'll
it
send it.
on
You gotta
all the
share
social
this shit.
medias.
I was gonna
Do
say
you have social media?
I have Twitter,
Oh, he has the tweeter.
but I have like 4 followers,
Yeah, me too.
Think about it.
and one of them is a real person.
Oh God, dude. Fucking Russian bots.
Dude, Brazil, dude. They
Do
got,
that accent.
Yeah. Brazil's wild, man.
Brazil's wild. Do you remember the Olympics? Everyone got robbed and shit.
Oh, I mean, they're getting robbed there all the time.
I know. No, I'm talking about the Olympics because they brought more like light to it because it's like broadcasting. Like reporters, reporters are getting robbed. Like, oh, what the fuck? Yeah, like people are like, wow, Brazil, they get robbed. Yeah. Anyways,
I just remember during the Olympics they were doing favela tours.
The fuck.
It's like look at like the infamous favelas.
They do that everywhere, man. I'm telling you, in South Africa when I was there, they do that.
Like, let's go through the poorest streets just so you guys can look at it.
You never heard about that?
Like ghetto tours. They do that here. That's offensive. They do ghetto tours, dude. You never seen that?
No, but did you see Jim Jeffries' thing on South Africa?
No.
You never saw that?
I think I did.
Oh my god, dude, it's the fucking best. They do poverty tours in South Africa.
That sounds familiar.
And the biggest clientele, and he has like, who are your biggest clients? Who does this the most? And
like
he's
white
like,
chicks?
He's like, the Germans. And then he's like, why? Because they also like seeing people behind cages.
I'm not. I was gonna say I'm surprised, but I'm not.
Yeah, exactly. He was like, the Germans.
With the little voice, like while he's counting money. Jesus, dude. Then no, I haven't seen that. That's messed up.
Yeah, the
When
Deutsch.
they talk about people like FaceTiming in public, I just lose my shit. I'm like, what are you doing, dude? Like we live in like we're
live in a
civilized,
society.
you know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Right.
I didn't want to say it, but
Who are the people that you've noticed FaceTime the most in public?
Say it, dude. Just say it.
I'm not gonna say it.
You know where I'm going with this?
Huh?
You know where
I know where you're going with
I know
this.
exactly where you're going with
You
this.
see it happen real quick.
Huh?
What?
God damn.
I'll be back. I'm gonna take this
No,
away.
everyone does it, but
Let's
I know. But yeah.
see, because you're not on the other social medias,
Uh-huh.
you're not exposed to what we were talking about in the previous podcast, which
What?
is like all the hippie shit that like people are into these days. And they just post
You
it.
mean the new age stuff? What? What are you talking about?
New age stuff?
That's what it's called, no? Like new age or whatever. I don't know. Whatever. Anyway, sorry. Hip. What do you mean hippie stuff? Like
People just acting real earthy and shit, loving succulents and
yeah.
putting rocks on themselves and quartz.
Right? Yeah. Or like they believe in crystals and stuff.
Yeah, like I feel like there's more and more of that recent.
Crystals are real, but
Like,
they believe
that they
they're
have
like,
powers.
like Atlantis status. Remember that movie?
Yes,
When the
yes.
crystals they're just like a Deus Ex Machina.
Atlantis.
Did I say that correctly?
Yes. No.
Atlantis is the animated movie.
Yeah, but that's like one of like the most underrated Disney movies out there.
Right?
Like underrated,
Michael J.
dude.
Fox.
Michael J. Fox. Dude.
Michael J. Fox. Shit. No, someone the dad from the dad
rapper of all time being Dylan.
Dylan.
the dad from Frasier.
Dude,
Yeah,
what's
he was
his
the old
name?
guy, remember?
Look up
old
the
guy.
cast for Atlantis.
You talking
Some
about the
famous people got a return. No, not return.
But the
that's
movie,
sequel.
the movie
right.
itself
Lost
was
Empire. Yeah.
was
It
real fucking. It was deep,
It
dude.
was really well animated.
Dude, it was actually really good. I just recently saw it. It's not 49% on Rotten
Right?
Tomatoes.
When I
That's
saw
No,
bullshit.
that-
that's why I said it's underrated as fuck,
Yeah,
dude.
it was. I threw it on when I got Disney Plus, and I was like, this is
Right?
really good.
It's like about
I mean,
class
dude,
and
look at this,
choosing
look
a
at this.
side.
You have Cree Summer,
She's
phenomenal.
Yeah,
Princess.
Michael J. Fox, Don Novello. Are you kidding me? Vinny Santorini,
Vinny was the explosives. No,
Jim
that guy.
Varney. That's a hell of an ensemble.
Dude, I'm telling you, this is a good fucking movie. Man.
Anybody know who those actors are?
I knew.
I had no idea.
Jim Varney
I just
sounds-
Michael J. Fox.
I mean, I was just
It's like, this
Yeah.
motherfucker-
fucking Florence Stanley. Look at her.
Look at her in all her
Yeah.
glory.
Yeah.
But when you hear Leonard Nimoy was
Leonard Nimoy.
he was the king. No, he was dying.
I mean, he's dying now.
He's dead now.
Is he?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, he did die like a couple years back, huh?
Wait, like 2013? No, it said right there.
No, it wasn't 2013.
Oh, performance.
2015.
2015.
Wow, 6 years ago.
Oh, after his death. So when did he die?
He died February 27th.
Oh, there he goes. Died 2015. Leonard Nimoy,
Wow.
dude. Yeah, what's up with let's go back to those like I thought it was like nostalgia, but it really is good. I don't get
It's
it.
a good fucking movie. It's like,
Like yeah, there's plot holes, but they go to fucking Atlantis.
I think that is the plot hole.
yeah.
No, I mean
I mean,
no, I mean it's an animated movie. Like why do you complain about that? Are you gonna complain about Lion
know
King
why?
that they talk, dude?
yeah.
Just shut the fuck up and take the
mean-
Kuna Matata up the fucking face.
Oh shit.
came out hot.
Yeah, he
Came out
came
hot.
out hot right there, dude.
Both
Sorry,
barrels.
I'm sorry. I came out. I'm sorry.
Both barrels.
I'm sorry. I got a little hot right there.
You're doing the neck thing, dude.
Yeah.
I got.
He's like,
I got a little hot.
He's be driving home, punching the fucking steering wheel.
I got to.
It's like, fuck, that's
What do we-
right.
oh, okay. What do we? Okay. Yeah, like the nostalgia, because I was thinking about that when the new Space Jam trailer came out. I was like, I know.
How pissed were you?
I was like, I know Space Jam 1 sucks ass. But me as
you
a
bite your
kid,
tongue.
but me as a kid, I mean, like obviously it's badass. But like
Yeah.
as a movie,
As like a film
it's
critic.
just
Oh, is it not believable? Is it not
You
believable?
can't suspend the
the
disbelief.
kidding me?
second he goes down that fucking golf hole.
Bill Murray?
You adjusted. No, you know what I mean. Like it's.
I don't know what you mean.
I mean, yeah, it's a good movie.
Yeah. That's it. End of story.
Okay,
It's
fine.
a good movie.
How pissed was I? I wasn't pissed. I was
They're
pissed
trying
that
to reinvent the wheel.
I was pissed that people were pissed at it. I wasn't
Oh,
pissed.
I mean,
I wasn't pissed at it because I was like, "What do you? It's not for you though."
Right.
Yeah,
So
well,
you're pissed.
We'll just watch the original one. You
It's
know what
because
I mean?
people are pissed at the over sexualization of like Elmer Fudd and shit, dude. Like, I can't believe that.
Dude, I told you not to bring that up on the episode. Dude.
Wait. I don't even know what
They
sexualized.
No,
Elmer?
they reduced the size of his penis.
Did they really?
They
Look it
removed.
up.
You didn't know that they removed Pepe Le Pew. He was.
I
Canceled.
mean, I knew
Yeah,
that,
yeah, yeah.
but that's not Elmer Fudd.
No, but he's talking about a meme because
Elmer
once they did
Fudd's
that,
penis.
please don't. Something's gonna come up. Jesus, of course.
Is Bugs Bunny's phallus visible
What?
in Merry Melodies cartoon?
Oh, now we're just
Nah,
going
it's
down
just
a
like
rabbit hole.
Big Dick Elmer Fudd. Am I
Yes.
clicking that? I'd like the Chungus. What the fuck is a Chungus? I don't know what that is, but I'm using that all the time.
What are they talking about?
I know. I need to know more. Who's Chungus?
And then what did Wang say? A big dick Elmer Fudd.
Fudd is criminally underused.
Wait, no, I want to look up what I'm talking
We gotta go
about.
back. We gotta go back.
Now we just.
Elmer Fudd's penis reduced. That's what you're complaining about?
Yeah, but
No penis should ever be reduced.
He was just talking about like someone posted a meme because they were making fun of Pepe Le Pew.
Here we go. This is
Getting
TMZ.
And it was like an Onion article. It was like, oh, after Pepe Le
Yeah.
Pew, the fans are outraged.
Space Jam director
Yeah, yeah.
reworks Elmer Fudd to be less sexual.
Yeah.
Says end of enormous penis. Oh no, I got his basketball shorts. Wait, I want to know more.
No, you can't. No, there's nothing down there. I know what you want to do.
Yeah, I want to know more.
That's the picture.
Copy link. No longer.
Brian just bookmarks it. Okay. Anyways,
That's what I'm talking about. Doesn't that enrage you?
Yeah, I want to. I'm going to images.
No. Another Space Jam 2 meme I saw
Space Jam
was
2 meme. Well,
was the Bella Bunny one. Where it was like they downside like
Yeah, they.
and
reduced
it's like
the
I'm
tits.
so pissed I
Lola
punched a hole
Bunny.
through the wall.
Lola Bunny. Yeah.
I was like, who
The
the
Lola.
fuck is?
Oh yeah.
who
Did I say Bella Bunny?
I was like, Brian, did he saw the sequel already? Are you friends with?
I went with it. He said Bella Bunny. I was like, yeah,
I know. Why did you go along with it?
Hey, he was.
I'm mad at both of you.
He was there for the Jack Nicholas thing too, right? I always fuck up these names, dude.
No, one time I owned you.
Nicholas.
One time I owned you so hard in front of your cousins, and it was in your backyard, old house. And you said something like, "Oh yeah,
1996. I owned you so
no,
hard.
no. Oh, that language, yeah. No, but this was like recent.
that verbiage.
You said something about like, yeah, when my parents incepted me, and was like, and then you said it like three. I think you said like 3 times. No one said anything. It was like, you mean concepted, you dumbass? Yeah.
You mean conceived?
No, like the word.
Yeah.
Like conception. You were trying to say conception,
I think I was. Yeah,
and you said
I don't remember,
inception,
yeah.
like the fucking
Hey,
movie.
Listen, dude. ESL, bro. ESL. I noticed.
I think
I've noticed in our edits, some things come out of your mouth that I'm just like, oh, ESL.
I was mad at you because you let it fly
Yeah.
like twice.
I'm sorry.
All right, Oliver, I'm just gonna show it to you.
Bella Bunny just sounds hotter.
It really does.
Wait. Put it back and then show it into the camera. Show it into the camera.
What's a good angle?
Here, you want me to do it then?
Yeah.
Yeah, 'cause
Well,
I'm
you got, but it's interactive, okay? You
It's
gotta,
interactive.
you gotta,
Yeah, I know. I get it. I understand.
so in honor of Godzilla versus King Kong. I drew King Kong, and since in the movie you can't see his package, I gave him the liberty to give him a package. He has an extra long neck because I ran out of space. So I just said, let's just go with it.
What? His
Anyways.
eyes are right here.
No, those are his boobies.
Oh, those are his tits. It looks like
Yeah.
eyes. It looks like eyes.
Why
on
would
a-
his eyes be? That's
I
his
don't
head.
know. He's got a dick,
For a head.
Oh,
and he
He's
has
got
two
two
dicks, two penises.
well, that's his dick and that's his head.
He's a dickhead.
He uses that to communicate, and he uses that to urinate and and conceive little Kongs.
Oh my god.
Anyways, that's my review of King Kong versus Godzilla. That movie. Speaking of dumb movies, that's the kind of movie you just turn off your mind and check your phone every now and then
Like when we saw
until
the
you hear
Meg.
Godzilla roar, and then you go, oh, okay, let me just put this down. I'll finish that email later.
Remember,
Wait, get a gif of
we
that
were
shit.
in the parking lot, and I said, George, I'm probably gonna like describe you the entire movie right now. We saw the Meg, and then as we walked out, George was like, it was exactly like how you said it would be.
You did not guess how he killed him though.
I was pretty fucking close.
How'd you say he was gonna kill him? Like he was explode him or something?
No, don't you remember that I said that he was gonna be like at like the peak of like a hillside?
Yeah, right.
And he's gonna like rip his shirt off. And he's gonna have two spears.
He had a
and he's
wetsuit
gonna-
on. It was pretty close.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
nice
he's
to-
gonna have two spears, and he was gonna jump down and then stab it. But he ended up having just one spear.
He stabbed him in the spoiler alert, ladies and gentlemen, for the Meg. He stabbed him right in the eye. And then other sharks ate him. So you were kind of wrong.
But
Anyways.
the fact that he was at the
The
hillside.
fact that you guys watched that movie.
We paid money for that.
Yeah.
We went to the theaters.
Theater.
I didn't want to go. I hated going to the. I'm so
Slow
happy.
summer. Slow summer.
I'm happy theaters are dead, dude. I'm done with those, dude. I was done with them before.
Wait, why?
They're just nasty, dude. And they cost a lot of money. And
Wait, why is it nasty? Where are
But you
going?
would only go to the $5 days.
That's probably why.
It's
you
probably-
pay for quality,
I
bro.
know that.
You
I
pay
know
for
that.
quality.
Yeah, but I miss Mexico. Like the VIP was like.
They
It's a
have
whole
that
nother-
here.
Yeah,
It
but
It was
it's-
like $15.
Yeah, that's the thing though.
exchange
It's
rate.
$20 for like the good like combo, dude.
And I can
I get-
actually buy food and stuff.
Yeah, like
I get that.
sushi
I get
and
that.
shit.
I get that. You can have that here. It's just because of the exchange rate, it's gonna be more.
yeah.
But you know what? We have a DDS here.
I still hate theaters though.
Why? What is it?
I guess
There's
he's
certain
right, he's
movies.
right though. He's
There's
right
certain
though.
movies you need to watch in a theater.
He's right though. It was a cheaper theater and everything was sticky. It was just nasty, dude.
Yeah.
The arcade had
And then we
two
would always go on
games.
Sundays, and then the kids were yelling and shit. And I'm
Right,
like,
right,
Why
right.
did you bring your kid to? I forgot the name of the movies. Like he's not supposed to.
That movie theater was like it was $5 only on
Tuesdays.
Tuesdays, and then at one point it was like
Sundays.
every
we had the
fucking
old
day.
membership, so we had $5 every movie.
Okay.
movie.
I'm going to tell you there are certain movies that
Yeah.
you need to watch in the movie.
Yeah. See,
You don't need to.
That
You don't
this
need to do
King Kong
anything.
one would have been like a good one.
That, imagine this, on the big screen. You need two screens
just
for it.
coming at for one for each dick.
Dude,
Just coming at you, dude.
Let me show you. It starts from the bottom.
Yeah, pretend I'm
This is
just
the
watching a
screen.
movie. I'm just
And you know, oh shit, hold on.
3D glasses, and then you
3D
just
glasses.
and then you just hear.
Not only that. Yeah,
Uh-huh.
because he's beating his meat.
He's,
Eating his meat.
He's going
But
like
check
that.
this out.
and then
The theater's packed. So you are actually at the front row where you're
Yeah.
I'm so excited. Yeah.
And all of a sudden, you just see this. You're just like, and you're like, what's going on? And it just continues.
And then you just
and
hear-
continues.
Just
Just
like,
continues.
what
And continues.
the-
And
And then Godzilla dick comes out,
and then you know what? It just keeps going. It keeps going because you know what this movie theater now has? 2 screens. 2 screens.
Holy shit!
And you know what?
Okay, no, we're done.
And it bends.
We're
It bends.
It's a curved screen. It's
Yeah.
a curved
haven't
screen.
And it's for the
IMAX.
people at the bottom because people like you that didn't purchase their tickets ahead of time and they're stuck right there in the pit.
we gotta see the dick.
That's what the second.
It's a
screen is for.
It's a 4D
That's what the second
experience,
So you're there, and then it just
and it just
over-
rains
I was
on
about
you.
to ask what the second screen was.
screen is because it continues over you. So you have the dick right here, the little guy right here in your face.
You just
and
touch
the
it
other,
like that.
and then the other one.
This guy,
This guy right here. This guy right here. Yeah. And then this
Oh,
guy.
I'm gonna die.
Yeah.
You're right.
That's why.
I know you're right, dude.
Listen,
But
I
I
Let me
guess
see that. Let me see.
for the greater good, you know.
Inspect the specimen.
Touch that.
for the greater good. I guess they'll come back though. Some chains are
Some
closing
some
down.
are some are coming back. There are movies that are out now. You can go to the movie theater now.
You could have gone during the pandemic. I remember Aldo told me.
Yeah, but it was like
Like
4
wear
people
masks and
allowed.
stuff.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. You don't want to go.
He went in downtown. It's probably like a little theater.
No, the one in downtown's supposed to be. It's supposed to be marvelous.
Mm.
It's like a candy thing. I don't know.
What?
For the kids.
For the children.
For the tykes.
Yeah, yeah. Whew, yeah.
You're right though. It's
How
an
was the
experience.
pandy? How was the pandy for you though?
How was the pandy? It was all right for me. I had to adjust and I took advantage and I got my shit together. And I passed all my exams. That's why I liked.
good.
That's why I liked it, and I also liked it because I am a horrendous introvert. That's why I loved it.
Yeah, I know
Yeah.
you are. So
That was amazing.
you're like
No more excuses. You know what I mean?
But wait, I feel like that.
I was like, hey, let's do something. I don't want to die. You know
You
what
live
I mean?
at home though, right?
Yeah.
Wouldn't that be bad for an introvert? Because now everybody's at home.
Not really, because my brother was back home too, and he was like a lightning rod for everyone. How like
He's like, you go to your room and study. You do like
that too. I wasn't home. I was at my dad's office studying, or upstairs was locked in. Yeah, that too. Mhm. But it was the pandy. The pandy. That's from yeah. The pandy
Are
was.
you doing your own version?
Oh, nice. The pandy was.
Are you doing your own version? Sure. Well, I need to know because if am I supposed to look or not?
I'm gonna look.
You're gonna look? I was just going.
Are you gonna draw?
I wasn't doing a dick. I'll do it. You want me to do a dick drawing?
Well, I thought this was like a dick competition.
I mean,
I'll do a dick drawing then.
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. I mean, no, work
Try and
with
pull
that.
off- try and pull off like a
figure
moth
something
or
out with that.
something. Yeah,
Be
yeah.
creative.
What are you doing?
Be creative. Let me hear about his introvertedness.
The pandy was nice.
Yeah.
I spent a lot of time with my family, obviously. So
And you like them, I guess, huh?
I do. They got on my nerves a little bit, but I mean,
Yeah.
don't they all?
Yeah.
Every family.
I mean, I live here now, and it's just me, so I get to
yeah.
come and go.
You get to come.
I'm gonna
and
leave
go
soon.
everywhere.
That's for sure.
Where are you going?
That's my priorities. I have no idea.
Coming
I'm gonna
here?
Stay, I'm gonna stay here. Right here.
I mean, there's a couch.
I got a funny story with when I said that Mexican word, spray.
Spray?
I lived in on a street where you take the hill. It was between the start of the hill is right next in front of a BMW dealership and a Starbucks. So I would always tell the taxi driver, I didn't have a car over there when I studied. I would tell the taxi drivers, oh, right, Starbucks and BMW in Spanish.
Yeah.
But I said Starbucks.
Right.
And they're like, what? Okay,
Yeah.
perdón.
Starbucks.
I had to say, I was
Say
like, oh, I'm
Starbucks.
sorry. I dije, ay, perdón, el Starbucks y okay. And then I was like, what? That's crazy. I mean, no, I wasn't,
Yeah.
like shitting on him. I was like, it's crazy how like just
Yeah,
how
it's
quickly
like its own
like
word.
the way I said it. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a different word.
Yeah.
It's like, wow, that's interesting. Yeah, this is good stuff.
What?
That's the good shit.
Yeah, it tastes like
Skittles.
Sprite. That's good shit, dude.
Doesn't taste like Sprite at all, but
Yeah, I don't care. I gotta finish this one. But yeah, dude, what were we talking about before this?
I don't know. We're just
Any
shooting
more
the shit.
any more
Shooting the feces, man.
shoot?
That's all we're doing. That's all we're doing. I like to get loose. Honestly, I'm usually
Loosey-goosey.
more talkative than this, huh? I'm kind of dead today.
No, you're
What?
pretty good.
I'm coming out now because the alcohol really kicked
Oh,
in.
you're coming out right now?
I'm coming out. I want the world to know. No, dude, like I
It's a tiny
straight up.
desk.
I see.
What?
Yeah, this is a tiny desk kind of. No, I trained earlier today, and I'm just dead, dude. I hadn't trained for like over a week, and that doesn't sound that long, but when you don't do it for that,
Yeah.
like your cardio's fucked.
You're talking about the mat stuff, right? Oh, I
Jiu-jitsu, yeah.
just took a peek at that.
Took a little
Sorry.
gander, as
That's
Ned
good.
Flander.
You guys are gonna like it.
Yeah, man. I fucking
What are you gonna say?
I trained, and like my first roll today was against this dude he goes to the competition class all the time, and he was like that bull that we just saw like right out of the gate. And so like the picture like the timer beep, but it was like some body, and he just fucking like attacked. I was like, holy shit, and we were like, it was just too much. After that, I was already dead. I was tired. I was like, man, you're too much energy.
So you got this spar with one guy?
No, I did 3. He was my
You
first.
don't say spar, huh? What is
We
what
say
happened?
rolling.
rolling. Oh yeah. Oh like
Like
Coco,
Molly.
like Coco, huh? He rolls.
Like Coco?
Joey Coco.
Oh
Like Coco
yeah,
Diaz. Yeah. He does some jujitsu.
He says he roll. Every time he says he brings up like exercising, I just laugh. I'm like,
Because
what?
you picture him doing it like
Because he can't exercise.
like
man.
Joey Karate. Yeah.
Joey Karate, dude. Is one of the funniest fucking things.
Here's the
out
thing,
there.
though, dude. That guy, for sure,
He's gonna
He
die
de-
soon.
don't say that.
Oliver, we talk about this all the time. Like we want to see him because I'm gonna
give
be
him
generous. 15 years.
I was gonna say over under 10, but you're giving him over.
Damn, you thought I was negative? Damn.
no,
dude.
no. I mean, I'm
15. He has a daughter. You know, like keep it like.
Yeah, but he can have a daughter until the day he dies, dude. Sperm don't die.
Shit, dude. It's because he's just like.
Have you seen his balls, dude? They're like planets, bro.
There was this. You talking about that time? There was like all those comedians zoomed and they did like a charity thing.
I saw that. Yeah, he shows his nuts.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it was with
They
burnt.
are huge.
Everyone's talking and no one's noticing.
Yeah.
I was like, oh my god, here it comes.
Right there.
He's just moving around like something's up,
Dude, it is-
something's up. And then no, he comes in sideways.
Yeah, yeah.
It's like, oh my god, that was hilarious, dude.
Yeah, that guy's the type of dude that will
Rolling.
he'll
That type of-
train or exercise work out
Yeah.
probably for like 2 weeks and then just stops. And then waits
Because
like,
he'll probably pass out though.
and then like another 6 months go by. Well, no, it's
because
just
what do you do when you're that fat and that
well,
old?
but
too?
that's my point. It's like when you're that big, you gotta just do small increments. Like
because it fucks up your
daily.
joints and shit too. Yeah.
Exactly, but you can't be doing what I did today, like 3 rolls. Maybe do one roll. Maybe just drill. Like do it so you start shedding the weight, and then you could gradually.
Yeah,
increase.
Joey's like 5 of yous,
Yeah.
like 7.
Yeah.
Yeah. Or like 7 or 8.
I love his usage of use. Hey, he's like 5
Hey,
of
use,
use.
guys,
Hey,
yeah.
hey. Oh, you know.
Oh,
yeah.
Enough with the O's.
Yeah. I mean, that's New Jersey's finest right there. Fucking Union Jack.
Dude.
What do you?
Don't. Yeah,
Shit.
you
I
saw
mean,
it.
no,
I've been looking at it the whole time.
I did and I didn't though. Because
I couldn't
I
look
can't
away.
really decipher what's happening.
I couldn't look away. I know exactly what's going on.
Well, that's good.
I know
good.
exactly what's going
That's
on.
good.
Yeah.
I mean, you guys are used to looking at dicks.
Yeah. Well, yeah.
Well, professional dick lookers.
Remember that one time that we were at that pool party and that kid tucked his dick between his legs and then
The
he
goat?
like,
He did the
he
goat?
flashed us and we both freaked out. We're like, what the fuck's going on? Like, why is he not like us?
Like, where's his dick?
I'll say his name, dude.
Yeah, Jonathan.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Jonathan what though?
You know what you did, Jonathan.
You know how
sick
common?
fuck.
I'll say his name. John. The fuck, bro?
That's
like,
right, John. Come at me.
yeah, he's like John Smith.
No, okay, no one gives a fuck. But yeah, he tucked it in. All what's that guy's name from Silence from the Lambs? No, it wasn't Alan,
Silence
dude.
from the Lambs.
but it was his pals. We were using his
And-
pool, remember?
Anthony?
Crazy something.
What's the actor for Silence of the
Buffalo
Lambs?
Bill? No.
Yeah, but I know, but I'm talking about the
Oh, the
actor.
actor? No, I don't
the
know.
actor. Isn't it Sir Anthony Hopkins?
Oh, but he's
Right?
not the one that puts his dick in between his. That guy's old as fuck, dude. Look at that picture.
Dude,
Look at the picture.
look
Oh
at
my
this.
god.
Look at that one.
The man's a goblin.
Look at the one on television. Look at his liver spots. That guy's old. That guy's an actor's
I mean, he's
actor. though.
83. You know,
He's still kicking though.
he's a Welsh.
He's
actor.
nominated this year for I forgot the movie. He's still taking names, kicking ass.
Read this for me.
Didsul Tawar Gida Karid.
What?
Serene Sunday with Love.
I mean, I can read that.
Didsul Tawar Gida
Deeds
Shariat.
Tawal Gidas Shariad.
That sounds like
It's probably like Gaelic, right? Why are you laughing? It's real.
because I don't know. He's in Gaelic.
It's Irish.
Yeah, that's not.
I mean, he's
That's
not
not
Irish.
Gaelic, then.
He's not Irish, but maybe
Yeah,
some
Buffalo
crazy
Bill put
Celtic
his dick. Well, what, see what he does? He just brings that shit up and then it's over.
Yeah, what?
What do you mean? Yeah, I know. Yeah.
What do you mean? What?
Well, he's focused. He's focused
focused.
over here. He's focusing.
So you
He's
just
so-
drop that and just walk
Yeah.
away?
Because
He's
I was
so-
thinking
he's
about
focused,
first
dude.
of all, what were you drawing a dick for fuck's sake?
As well you should be, man. As well you should.
His is better, guys. I'm sorry.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
That
I'm
was a
sure
good
it's
video
great.
too.
You know, it's dude. I'm a little bummed that I was this lazy after training because there were some videos that I wanted to show you and I didn't save them. And it's not good if I just like start looking right.
You're
now.
just lost in the ether.
Yeah, because there were a couple. You know, you're sitting on the shitter
Oh
and you're like, ooh, this is good. You know, shit like that. And But you know, it is what it is. We'll have you back on.
We can't
We'll
just
have-
we
we'll have
can't
you
just
back
start
on.
clicking away.
I like
Let's
the
see,
scrubs though.
we think. Oh, thank
I actually love those socks even more. What are those, Big Macs?
Oh.
What you got there? Can you show that? Damn, yeah, you're kind of flexible too. Hey, man, there's a hair here.
It's got a grill. What?
Oh, that's a chick's hair. Don't
That's
worry
from
about that.
That's from here, dude.
Don't worry about that.
It's got a grill too, huh? I thought that was just a
Oh,
burnt. I thought that was just a burnt patty.
He specifically said earlier, he's like, I had a hamburger yesterday, so can we not have any hamburgers?
Yeah, right. Oh, I got a cool story yesterday. Well, on Tuesday night, they told me my office manager said we don't have assistants, so don't come in. They canceled that's fucked up, but
Tuesday
whatever.
night, you guys are open in the evening?
No, Tuesday night they told me that, so not to come in Wednesday.
yesterday.
Yeah. And my dad, my uncle gave him extra tickets for the Padres, and I was like, oh fuck, now I have to go to the fucking Padres game. You know what I mean?
Oh, you're not a baseball fan.
I'm not a sports fan.
I mean, yeah.
But
yeah.
it was actually kind of cool because I was being a dumbass because we were walking around. I haven't been Petco Park in ages. Have you guys been there?
It's
yeah,
fun.
recently.
I mean,
yeah.
not in the
It looks
past,
like a mall.
Not
There's
within the
like-
past year.
Yeah, there's
Last
like
time I was there was with you, Brian. We went to that baseball game.
how long ago
Yeah.
was that?
Well, over a year ago because of the
Okay,
coof.
okay.
Yeah, that was fun.
Yeah.
I thought we had a fun time.
But I was
We saw a lot of talent.
We saw a lot of talent.
yeah here too, but everyone has masks on, so you can't.
No, but before.
Oh,
This is before coof. Pre-coof, man.
pretty cool.
BC,
Yeah, I'm
before
talking about
COVID. Before coof.
Talk about masks, how
Right, yeah.
deceitful they are.
People weren't walking around without it. Like, at that point, like, fuck it. Because
Right.
downtown, dude, let me tell you, I started playing gigs again.
They don't care, huh?
After the first drink,
Yeah.
COVID doesn't exist.
But what like how long?
Doesn't exist.
What time period are we talking about? Like 2
Last
weeks ago?
week?
That's-
Like, 2 days ago?
Okay, I mean, I'll be a little lenient on that.
2 days ago.
But if we're talking like 8 months ago, that's
No, I'm
crazy,
talking like
yeah.
2 days ago.
Yeah, it's over, dude. It's over. People-
Yeah,
I mean,
Coof is
it was
done.
over a long time ago. We stopped giving a fuck a long time ago. I would be that guy driving around and look at people and just scream internally like, "Fuck you guys! It's all your
You should
fault."
do it. You should roll down the window and just do it externally.
I'm not gonna. I don't want to get.
What?
Jumped.
You're in a car.
I
How?
want to get jumped.
If you're getting jumped while you're in your car, I think you deserve to get jumped. Like, how is that happening? You know?
I was parked in.
He's like, I
No,
was
but,
parallel parked. Like it was
But
a real tight squeeze.
We were walking around the Petco, and I said, "Oh, are you ready?"
Wait, I'm looking this way.
I
Is he ready?
think
Are-
he's ready.
Are you ready? Are you
I
ready?
think he's ready.
Are you ready?
Can I name it?
Name it.
Name it, and then I look.
Full
Name-
Metal Dick.
Full Metal Dick.
What do you think it is?
I don't know. I mean, I'm thinking Full Metal Jacket. Am I looking at Matthew Modine right now? What's going on? Give me
Wait, you gotta. What's going on in the back?
Huh?
What is that in the bag? Is that the helicopter?
Is that like a?
What is this?
Is that a helicarrier? What is that?
He drew the bird that I mentioned.
Yeah, I did.
It looks like the fucking golden snitch from Harry Potter.
It's a crossover. It's a crossover.
Yeah.
Seriously, what's that?
What are the two nuts in these?
Oh, that's a copper? Chopper?
I was eventually. Oh wait, let me see what you're pointing at.
I'm looking at these
Anything,
things
anything.
right
Just
here. What is
explain
that?
anything.
Okay, that was my attempt at doing a palm tree, but then I gave up. I was like, fuck it. I was like, a coconut tree. Sorry.
Oh, I see it now. Yeah.
Yeah, I
But
gave up. I gave up.
I get it.
But
I get it.
I wouldn't have seen it.
Yeah. Had you
It's
not,
abstract. It's
had you not
abstract.
said that,
Anyways, this dick is actually pretty well shaven.
it's
actually.
nice. It's
Well,
nice.
I mean, they shave their heads before they go into war, man.
You gotta
Honestly?
you gotta keep your feet dry.
Honestly. wait.
Lieutenant
Is,
Dan.
is yours on the back of this? Where's yours?
No, there was a prototype on the other side.
Oh, I get it. He's the soldier that was sent to Skull Island.
Where's the?
Nice. To find Dick,
Okay.
Dick Kong.
If we are judging,
I mean,
He's got more dicks in
Oh.
the picture than I do.
but
no, wait.
The
look.
anatomy. I know where you're going.
Where am I going? I'll let you guess, and then I'll tell you.
Because the anatomy is a lot better on yours.
Well,
Oh,
because
okay.
mine's a whole dick. That's
okay.
why.
Okay. No. So check this out.
Yeah.
That's not what I was gonna say.
Okay.
This is what I was gonna say.
What are you gonna say?
In terms of realism here,
Oh,
because I'm gonna judge on realism.
Jesus.
are you saying monkeys have little skinny long dicks like that? I think they do.
Some
If we're
do.
talking
I think
realism, just don't take into that count the fucking coconut tree right there.
Right,
the-
or the golden
Or the dick
snitch.
holding the
or the
M16.
or the golden snitch. No, the golden snitch. Because honestly, I didn't walk through that platform, dude. That's a different world.
Yeah.
That's not happening here.
It's a crossover.
Nor is such a straight penis happening.
Yeah, you
That's
did.
way too straight.
You did too much.
there's a little curvature in his, and I enjoy that. It's a little bit of realism.
He needs to turn.
If playing
It's gotta
devil-
have like a little, even if it's subtle, just like that.
And if you forgot, we've actually drawn the curvature of our
Of
cocks.
our own, yeah.
And there
Mine's
is
like an Arabian dagger.
There is someone in the group that has always claimed, and when we drew it,
Oh, that it's straight like
it's
this.
straight as an arrow.
Shout out to Red Raiden.
No.
It's not him. It's not him.
Yeah.
We should get him on the horn
We
though.
should.
Be like, ask him.
That would be-
When was the last time you guys actually spoke to this man?
You guys need to.
Last weekend.
Yeah, last weekend.
Both of you though? Or
He
just
showed
him?
up to
I
my
showed
house.
up. I had
That's
to.
right,
I had
that's
to.
right,
I
that's
was like,
right.
I need to see him.
Fuck, dude.
Dude, he would be a good episode too.
Because then you could just be like, hey man, what's your dick like?
It's probably
not bad,
massive,
but yeah.
dude.
Be like,
It's
just like,
probably-
hey.
it's probably fucking huge, dude.
It's like a huge hog.
I hope so.
Get him on the horn.
20% of his body.
Get him on the horn. That's where
Anyways.
most of the mask goes.
Anyways,
yeah,
let's
that's
go
Red
back.
Raider mask right there.
I see where he's going with that. Yeah, he's right.
Yeah.
And
you
look,
know-
they always want the toughest, straightest people to be Marines, all right?
right, you're right.
So if it's like the ideal, it's like the unrealistic expectation for
When
know,
I see that
Marine.
dick, when I see that dick, I just listen. I hear
You hear Cappy?
I hear Credence.
Oh, you hear Credence? You're fortunate son.
I was gonna say, you hear CCR?
See, and then yeah,
It's just,
it's because the
you know, I love the
This is
ability.
interactive.
I
The
love,
only
I love the ability to check this out. Check this out.
When he gets angry.
Boom.
oh, he's screaming like
Yeah. And then
That's Chewbacca, but
you know what happens? You know what happens too? Like when you busting, you're just like this kind of like little throbbing effect. This little throbbing effect. And then all of a sudden it goes back into hiding.
Yeah.
And honestly, in cold weather, that does happen. It just
Yeah.
goes.
It sheaths
it
itself.
completely disappears. Yeah, I can
Disappears.
Yeah.
confirm that.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And mine looks like just like a little nub.
I can't confirm that, but yeah, sure.
I'll show you later.
Okay.
But it look
I will be able to confirm that.
yeah. It'll be part of the tooth inspection.
So, what
Say,
he's
why are you
saying,
pulling down your pants for
so
a
what
tooth?
Brian's saying is that I won. And
I'm saying Georgie won.
Yeah,
I'm saying
yeah,
Georgie won.
but you don't like my cock and nom?
I like it.
I like your
it.
knob, dude.
Cock and knob?
I've always been a big fan of your knob,
Yeah, I
and
think-
you know.
But technically, if we're talking, it's because for me, the King Kong, the tip of the dick was like the face for me, you know. So
you're
this
not-
guy's blind. This guy's gonna die.
I don't know, man.
No, that's actually
Or-
eye black under where his eyes would be. Because again, he's at war.
I thought
you
they
know?
were just wrinkles.
No, again, he's at war. So he's
Okay. All right.
So
And he's
just had
actively shooting at. He's actively shooting at
he's
someone.
actively I actually tried to draw like a fallen soldier.
a fallen
like,
shoulder.
fallen cock in
A
front of
wait,
him.
no.
Yeah,
You
I
missed
tried
it.
to. I
Georgie,
tried it. Yeah.
You missed it.
I know. No, I did. I didn't.
Then you chose to ignore fallen shoulder.
I heard it. Yeah. I just chose to just power through.
I can't let that one go. Shoulder.
Okay.
So you're a
I
fan
find
of
it a
his.
little interesting that you made him Vietnamese though.
How is he Vietnamese?
Kidding me? That's Ho Chi Minh's trail for sure, dude.
No, I'm kidding. It's just a normal dick, dude.
no.
Well, what war is this though? Obviously,
It was Vietnam War.
And then what the
Yeah,
fuck?
yeah, you're right. You're right.
But he's not Vietnamese. He's American.
Oh,
Because look at his helmet.
Is that it? Is that it? I thought you were gonna say, look at the coconut tree. Oh, I'm laughing. I might start bleeding out of my nose. I'm laughing so hard.
Oh shit.
What was I gonna put on like a sun hat?
What else am I? Oh, me? What are you talking about?
Sun hat?
Oh, I thought you was making fun of me because I wear one.
Oh, you mean on that?
Yeah.
Oh,
no, it's
okay.
clear.
Oh, you're thinking about
army
You're
helmet.
talking
Yeah,
about the
Marine.
racist, the rice patty hat. You racist fuck.
Oh. All right.
Anyways,
Went there.
Yeah.
Shit got dark real quick.
anyways, you remember Tropic Thunder?
You thought you mentioned we were gonna get there. We
mean,
we got there.
Remember Tropic Thunder?
Dude, you're a fan,
We
right?
can't talk about Tropic Thunder.
No, we can. You know
that
why?
movie's worse than anything we've said.
No,
Why?
because he doesn't like that movie. And it's
Why?
the best comedy of
Dude,
all time.
But we like it together.
Like
We've seen it and
It's
stuff.
the
no?
best comedy.
we've seen it, yeah, but
we haven't.
no,
You guys
like,
have.
Like I can't quote it like I could any other movie.
Oh,
quote
you
all the
should.
time.
It's on Netflix.
What's the one line I quote all the time? Like, what's the one? What's
I
the
don't know.
one?
Don't look at me. I barely see
I'm
it.
not gonna quote movies, dude. Let's make our own content, dude.
Yeah, we could do that too. But in this case, since you're discussing this
Oh.
movie, tell me what you like.
Anything out of Robert Downey Jr.'s mouth is a fucking
It is kind of
one-liner.
gold. In that
Yeah.
movie, it is kind of
The
gold,
opening
dude.
trailers are hilarious, dude. I mean, come on. Jack Black.
And that was another thing.
I
like,
keep forgetting Jack Black is in it
the
every time I see
the
it.
trailer kind of like gave me the whole movie already, in a way.
Not really, dude. The ending's really funny.
What are you talking about?
Like when they go to the, I don't know what to say.
I got like the main gist of it. I don't
What's
know.
the movie about?
Well, that's why it's a parody, dude.
What's the movie about?
But I've seen the movie, so I know what the movie's about.
What's it
Then what the
about?
fuck are you saying, dude?
What's it about? Because when I saw the trailer, I didn't care if I knew what the movie was about.
Yeah,
I was there to like you. It's no different than like, hey, this is gonna be a train crash.
Mm-hmm.
Are you gonna watch that video? Absolutely. I want to see the train crash.
Dude, Tom Cruise is in it.
Tom
Fucking
Cruise,
Cruise.
bro. Are you kidding me?
Top Gun himself.
You don't even realize that it's Tom Cruise.
He has, like,
I
a little
didn't when I
thing
saw
on
it.
Yeah.
I didn't.
Yeah.
His forearms, massive.
Yeah.
Those are fake forearms.
I didn't know that.
Those aren't his.
I did
They
not
look
know
like
that.
Popeye forearms, dude.
I
All
thought
that hair?
was him.
No,
No,
his-
I
not his
knew
either.
like the wig and shit was in him, but
That's not even a wig. What happened is they actually shaved the top of his head and
Right?
glued the
They
hair
did?
to his
No,
arms.
Casco.
I don't think so.
Nasty. I believe him.
Yeah, he
I
was,
believe you.
yeah.
okay.
Look it up.
Anyways. Shit.
You like that movie though. He doesn't like the movie.
Again, because
Yeah, let's go back to that. What do you mean?
because
we
I
talk
can't
about it sometimes and stuff. What do you
What I don't remember ever talking
What's-
about
what's
it with
going
you.
on?
I don't like that movie. I don't ever
start crying?
I don't remember ever
The
talking about
best.
that movie with you.
Well, it's the best comedy.
Really?
Like,
Yeah.
is it?
When we used to
is
hang
your
out
fa-
with like Enrique and stuff, we would always talk about it.
You guys would?
Can I ask you something? Because straight up,
What?
Diego and I have talked about this.
Yeah, that
It is
that's
the
where
number. It's the
from.
number one for us.
Diego and I talked about it a lot.
Yeah, see, but
is
like
it-
you
is
guys
it-
always
He
did.
brought up a lot, all the black stuff up a lot.
You-
Yeah, Diego brought up a lot.
Again, so it was always you guys talking about me.
That's why he's not on the
like,
show
like
anymore.
every day.
But me just kind of like present. Me just kind of there, like, all right, yeah. But
Oliver's like, I'm a little black, dude. I'm a little offended.
no, not even like that. But it's just
I'm not even gonna.
I know, but that's
Let's
why I'm
not even
asking you.
recognize. Let's not just yeah.
I ignore him.
Let's just power. Let's just power through,
What?
dude.
Is it your number one of all time? Would you say?
Probably not.
Really?
Comedy.
Comedy movies. Comedy movies. Because straight up,
I want to
definitively,
say,
that's my number one.
I want to say Anchorman. That's one of my.
Get the fuck
Are you
out of here.
serious?
Anchorman
Like my number
over
one?
Tropic Thunder.
don't know,
Anchorman
man.
over Tropic
I
Thunder.
don't know,
Think
man.
about quotable lines.
Super bad for me.
Superbad's great, and it is in my top 5.
it's one
But
of
it
it's
is-
my
it
number
You
is-
can do
one.
top 5. Well, in general or comedies.
Comedies, 100%. In general, what the fuck? Were you going to fucking throw out
40-Year-Old
Citizen Kane or
Virgin.
something? No, because 40-Year-Old Virgin really tapers off towards the end.
It does.
They
does,
get
it
all the
does.
jokes out. It like
Yeah,
comes
right.
out hot, and then all of a sudden it is.
It becomes like a
You kind of get
Yeah.
bored of the
like a
virgin jokes,
rom
huh?
drama.
Yeah. A Rama.
A
if you
Rama.
will. Yeah.
Probably out of the Judd Apatow one, he's probably knocked up is my favorite out of all of them. Why? He didn't direct Superbad. What are you guys talking about?
Yeah, but 40-Year-Old Virgin is better than that.
Yeah.
Really? Knocked up? Really?
Yeah.
Then I gotta rewatch him then.
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah, you have homework.
Fucking Pineapple Express is better than
Oh
that.
my god.
Pineapple Express is better than that.
Yeah.
He directed that too?
Did he? I don't know.
Judd Apatow? I think he did.
No, dude.
I don't think
No?
so. Actually, I don't
Or
think
did he help in it?
Well, anything with Seth Rogen is produced by Judd Apatow.
it's produced but not directed.
Produces a lot of things. He directed that shitty.
Oh no,
David Gordon Green.
Oh wow.
I mean, it's still Jewish.
That guy directs I forgot what he directed.
I remember we got to see Judd Apatow
Twice.
at the Comedy
Oh,
Store.
he told me, yeah.
At the
Yeah.
Was he
comedy
good?
store.
So in that
He
time,
did his Netflix shit.
I was about to say that time he was practicing his Netflix
Yeah.
stuff, and then you saw it and you're like, oh, I saw that
Yeah,
already. That's
and
pretty
same
cool.
thing with Tom Segura's Disgraceful
Yeah.
on
Yeah,
Netflix.
we saw some of his like
when he was working it. Yeah, dude.
It's dope. It is dope.
He
It is
told me
really
about that. I want to.
And it was cool because like we got to
Let
see.
me tell you, you missed out because I think the Comedy Store is dead.
Really?
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
you
do.
think it's dead?
I really think it's dead.
Oh, they're
But
all,
what
they're
I
all
like-
going to Texas, huh?
Yeah.
They're all leaving.
What I liked is that we got to see 2 different deliveries of the same joke.
Exactly.
Oh,
I like
That's
that.
what was cool because
They
like the
both
one where he
worked or
tried
what?
it out. Yeah, in my eyes it did.
I'll tell you what though. Check this out. It's not going to be dead. We're just not going to see those people.
Oh, well, yeah.
But as a result, though, there is now an opening
for
for
someone to
whoever may
Someone's
be
gonna
up
fill
and
that
coming.
void.
Yeah, whoever may be up and coming and is like, you know, I'm
It's
still
gonna
in
be
LA.
next ones. Yeah.
Yeah.
But that's also what I'm kind of like looking forward to is that like I've already heard this guy's stuff. I already know they're funny. It's like I want to see who else is coming up there.
But that's actually why I like going, because there were some people that we saw that aren't huge, and you're like, these people are
Like
fucking
when
funny.
I think we got to see, was his name Jesus Trejo?
Yeah, Jesus Trejo was fucking
before he
hilarious.
started like, well, before I started noticing him like pop up on
Yeah.
YouTube, for example, and shit.
He's funny.
And
Dude's
shows.
funny.
Dude, that was it the family barbecue bit he did, the one with like the little mustard in it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Oh my god, dude.
Dude's a funny guy.
When I used to work at Las Americas, I had this lady super entitled.
That's
like,
the Americas for the English people.
and she basically had a lot of stuff she was gonna buy, and she's swiping her card, and she goes, "It's not fucking working." And I go, "Well, maybe you're swiping it wrong." She goes, "I've been swiping my card all day. I think I know how to swipe a card." I was like, "All right." And I looked down, and she was swiping her ID.
But it worked everywhere else though.
Yeah, you don't get it, dude. She tried that card.
Don't you get it?
She tried it up at the one at Fox Chase, all right? You don't get it.
You gotta try it out the other Wendy's. You gotta try it out the other TGI Fridays, dude. Okay? It fucking worked. It's not her fault. It worked all day. She gets to your fucking store.
It's like, you can go, yeah. Sure.
It's not her fault
Yeah.
that you broke the
Yeah, your
goddamn
machine. Yeah, your machine's
My
wrong.
machine
Yeah.
couldn't
Listen, dude, the customer's
Alright, it's-
always right.
It's good that we clear that up, okay?
Yeah.
Oh man,
Because
all
she
this time I thought I was the asshole, you know.
Yeah, and you know what? You are. You are.
Well,
Because she could swipe her library card. And
And
it should fucking
go through.
work.
It should
dude.
fucking
It should
go through.
work. All right? Straight up.
she'll swipe it and everything's free.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
She'll return it later after. You know,
to reap the benefits.
at least after 30 days, she'll return it.
Damn, I haven't gone shopping in the store in fucking ages.
just Amazon.
Well, according to you, you've just been home. You know.
Oh, I've been wearing scrubs pretty much.
but
I started working. Well, speaking
You work a
speaking
regular
yeah.
Monday through
Speaking
Friday?
of the, speaking of
Okay.
the pandy. Oh, now yeah, but during the pandy we just got like, I remember exactly March 17th. I think it was a Tuesday. They
think
told
that's
us.
St. Patty's, man.
They told us we're done. No.
is there like a certain type of scrubs?
Shit, yeah, it was. Huh? Or
Is there
the
like
15th then?
is
No.
there like expensive scrubs or like you look at him, it's like, damn, this guy knows what he's doing. Like he's got like the Nimbus
know.
2000 of scrubs.
They have a Supreme just came out with a version of scrubs.
These are Cherokee. These are pretty. I was gonna say
Cherokee.
Cherokee.
I hate you so much. Why do Mexicans do that, dude?
Cherokee.
Cherokee.
Yeah, why?
I like these. These are rough.
They are nice.
There's some called figs. I got a pair of them, but I use the coupon because that shit's expensive. That's
How expensive are these scrubs?
figs.
Yeah, like the designer
Probably
ones.
like
Are they like form fitting or what?
no, they're
Ooh.
I was gonna
Speaking of form fitting,
Wait,
like-
don't derail.
it's probably like 50 for like the top and then 50 down here, dude. That's a
$100
shitload.
bucks.
Yeah.
damn.
Why?
But I got coupons, so I got like 80.
It's why?
Oh, not these. These are Cherokees.
Right. So we're like $30.
Oh, these are on Amazon. Both of them for 30. Like they came with a pair.
The package deal.
Yeah.
So 60 boners.
These are way better too.
Why are they better?
The pair of figs, they're like they're nice. They're more breathable.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and if you sweat in them, you can like, oh, nice. But this is more like a shirt. Like if
It's
you
like the Nikes.
like if you really sweat.
Yeah.
After a hard day of just
Yeah.
brushing teeth.
Yeah.
Just
What do you think I do, dude? Do people just show up?
Honestly-
I got toothbrushes.
Kinda.
Jesus
Yeah.
Christ.
I mean, I haven't been to the dentist. It's been a while. I don't know what you do.
I'll try and get you guys appointments. No, I gotta. No, once I start like.
So when you float, like you have like a. Isn't that what you?
wait, what?
When
You
you
float.
float. When you float around to these different.
Oh, it's,
yeah. Yeah, so it was
what are you talking about?
I'll float too. You'll float too. Yeah.
Yeah. What about it? Yeah, I go to
Like what are the? I'm assuming you're hitting like a like the same offices.
I work at 3 clinics.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where are they located? I mean, you don't have to say the actual address.
One's in North Park.
Yeah.
The one I was at right now. Well, 4, but 2 of those are the same owner. You know what I mean? Right. I was in Lemon Grove right now, same owner. But on Tuesdays I go, Spring Valley. Yeah.
Which is not far from Lemon Grove.
Yeah. That's right
yeah,
there.
pretty yeah.
But I don't go between offices. I go home and then the office. But whatever.
You said it like it's gross to go in between.
No.
Savages.
No. But what was your question? When I float, what?
That was my question.
Oh, okay. Then yeah, 3 offices. Yeah. But I like I like multiple offices because then you learn how to do things differently. You learn how to not do things. That's important. When
Sure.
I want to open my own office eventually, that'll be good. But
So
yeah,
you want to open your own practice? Sometime.
yeah, eventually that'd be cool. Yeah.
What kind of loan do you need for that? I'm assuming you're gonna need
A loan? I don't know about that. Later on, I'm just
Maybe we'll
getting
start
started. Yeah.
I may want to start looking.
Get that ball rolling, you know.
Yeah.
Because honestly, you're 30 almost.
I am 30.
You are 30 already? He's
not.
older than you?
No,
yeah, I
I'm
don't think
not.
so. Yeah,
I got you.
yeah.
No, he's gonna be 30.
This year.
Oh yeah, it's because
December.
December. Get well, fucking December birthdays.
Yeah.
You old fuck.
Yeah. What are you? March.
March.
March 9th.
Match.
Not just a hat rack, my friend.
How the fuck Victor doesn't even know my fucking birthday?
Because you said it
You said it
earlier.
Oh, I
earlier.
did.
Yeah.
Well, he listens.
yeah. I'm great on dates.
But yeah, dude, we're almost fuck. We're gonna talk about that now. Shit.
Sure, why not? Because I'm fucking 40, basically. I swear, the way time's going, it's like, Jesus Christ, dude.
Dude.
Well,
Some people, you know what? You know
I
what I
woke
have
up.
noticed? Okay, go
I
ahead.
woke up the other day and like my shoulder was just hurting.
Stop, dude. I take a nap, my shoulder hurts.
That's
Come
what I'm
on,
saying.
dude.
It's
Are you
like
kidding me?
that
Back
didn't
hurts all the
happen
time.
in the early and mid 20s, where it was just like now it's like, oh shit, like
think
shit
it
just
just-
hurts.
I
Can I
think
tell you
just
something?
focusing too
Can I,
hard.
can I tell you something? It gets worse.
I know.
You know what I've been saying for like the longest time? By the time we're 50, I think there's gonna be like miracle pills.
And that's what I'm counting on.
yeah, right.
Because
So am I, right?
I take care of myself, but also I'm just like, dude, a lot of shit's advancing real fast.
right.
That I feel like
There's a little
there's
voice
gonna-
in your head is like,
like
"You should do
stem
nothing."
cells, like stem cell treatment will be as simple as like I'll like DoorDash.
ABC.
I'll like order I'll just order something like the stem cell's gonna come and all of a sudden I'll grow.
Like,
Like, an
yeah, we just talking about syphilis. Oh, I got syphilis. Let me
Yeah.
just get
Just
Yeah.
download it off the internet
Yeah,
or
yeah,
something.
yeah.
Let me just postmate my vaccine. For
yeah,
some-
like something like
my
that.
shot.
I mean, listen, I'm hoping.
I mean,
They were saying we were gonna have flying cars back in the 50s.
I mean, we
so-
have like huge advances already, but I mean, we're still in the stage where people that need insulin need to pay like fucking like hundreds of dollars. I don't want
See,
to get into
that's
it.
Yeah, that's a
political. What do you mean you
whole
want to get
different
into
thing,
it?
Yeah, well, fine.
Like,
we can get into it because I guess that is my field, but not technically. Like, because we were just talking about insurances and stuff.
Right.
I get patients all the time. That's the last question they ask me. But we were trained we can't talk about prices because we don't know exactly 100% what their situation is.
Right.
With Medi-Cal, Medicaid combination,
I'll show you my bank account.
cash patients. We don't know your situation unless they start screaming, "I'm a cash patient." Well, whatever, dude. I don't care. Like,
Right.
like they still need to come talk to you and run that through. Like that's like we're not supposed to. You know what I mean?
Right.
But then they start asking like, "I don't have any money for this and stuff," and I start naming off all.
You have
'cause-
someone else in the office that deals with
yeah,
that.
yeah. Because I make the treatment plan, and I start naming stuff like we gotta extract this tooth and stuff, and then they just look at me like I don't have the money for that, and that really fucks with you, you know.
Oh, you're sweet.
That really does fuck with you. So,
Wouldn't
and then
we?
when people talk about, I have some colleagues, and well, I know one of my friends, her fiance is gonna be, he's gonna start. Fuck, what's the word? Shit.
Sound it out. Take your time.
Oh my God, what's
Hey,
it?
we're not live streaming. I could edit.
Remember Scrubs? The first season, they're called not temps. His
Interns?
residency. He was gonna do his residency, like a medical doctor.
Mm-hmm.
And we were talking about like Medicare for all and that stuff, and I'm for it, even though it'll probably like not benefit us, but we'll still make money. Like we're just being greedy. That's what I told him. Like just stop, dude. Like really, dude. Like come on, man. Like we're so fucking behind.
You're
Like
I drive a
Canada,
Prius,
everyone.
bro.
I saw a Michael Moore documentary years ago
Oh, I
about
watched this.
about insurance, like health insurance.
Yeah.
He fucking went to like Guantanamo Bay to try to get like like they treat them, but we can't treat our own people like that.
Oh, you
shit's-
get better treatment in prisons.
that shit's fucked up.
That happens
yeah.
here.
Yeah.
Yeah, people purposely get locked up.
So they have
So,
somewhere
like,
to sleep and somewhere
yeah.
that's insane to me.
Straight up,
dude.
if you don't do my root canal, dude, I'm gonna go rob this liquor store.
And that's insane. And then they'll do it in the yeah. I met an assistant who was DA, RDA's registered dental assistant, was like a little higher up.
Oh, I
Like,
thought the district attorney.
a DA is just a dental assistant. RDA, they do a little bit more like advanced stuff. And then she said she worked she got hours out of prison. And they said like, whatever you do, like you can talk to them a little bit, just don't talk to them that much because
Right.
they'll try to like I don't know like
They'll swindle.
like the Joker shit, you know, like they'll manipulate you and then you'll fall in love with them and then you'll break them out and shit. Like, that's crazy.
Yeah.
She's like,
Was-
yeah, and
That would be me.
And then
Wasn't
my
that-
I was about to ask her, like, did
That's
anyone-
Arrested Development right there.
Yeah.
That's some
Don't
fucking
touch it,
George.
man.
That's some George Bluth shit, dude.
like they don't allow bees in here. Dude, she died recently.
Ah,
Just took a
shit.
long time. Rest in
dude.
peace.
Yeah.
We were talking about that too, of, like celebrities and like honestly, I teared up a little bit.
For her?
For her?
I was in the car and
Yeah.
I wasn't driving obviously because I was on my phone. It's like
I think I asked you the same question too. Like which
About Jessica Walter.
No, like which celebrity which celebrity death
I'm gonna get some
that
water.
like
Impacted me?
Yeah, impacted you. Were you actually able to like
Robin Williams.
Wow, yeah.
Yeah, that was pretty quick.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Game over, huh?
When did he die? I think it was school.
Well, no. Oh, you mean dental? Yeah. It was shoot. It was already like what, 6 years ago, something like that. No, I think it was longer than that.
16, 17, 15.
see. Yeah.
15?
I remember I was pretty bummed about that. You know, he's a big part of I think our childhood.
14.
14. Wow.
Wow.
7 years ago. This August. Yeah.
I mean Aladdin. I mean,
Dude, Good Will Hunting, Mrs. Doubtfire, Jumanji.
what's your major, dude?
Yeah.
What's your major?
Jumanji, bro, the
Mrs.
original.
Doubtfire.
Yeah.
Wow. of
Dead
course.
Poets Society, which we all saw in school.
God, I hated them.
Yeah, we did.
I hated it because I saw it at school. The
Yeah.
only movie I liked that I saw at school, they showed us.
Beowulf.
I'm surprised because it was a black and white movie.
Beowulf? They showed you Beowulf?
No. Oh yeah,
Van
Van
Wyck.
Wyck because he was a shitty teacher. I saw the 12 Angry Men. That was a good movie, dude. Like the old school one. This is old. Yeah, this is
I
old
think
man
I know
shit.
that one.
Yeah.
12 Angry Men?
It's a movie about like a juror, like when they're all jurors. Yeah. I
Juror.
think Jack-
Oh, I do.
Jack
Wait,
Lemmon's in
what classes did you see this
Oh,
in?
I was in
This
my
motherfucker mentioned Jack Lemmon.
freshman
Holy shit.
freshman year. I went to East Lake, dude.
Oh, yeah, I forgot. Yeah.
I wasn't privileged like you. You sack of shit.
Dude.
You ended up going to my same school.
No, Jack Lemon's not in that. Henry Fonda.
Henry Fonda's in it. That's Grapes of Wrath right there.
What was I thinking about? Yeah, you don't even know their names. See, they're juror 1, 2, 3, and then there's obviously like I think number 12 was like a villain, or number 10, yeah, Ed.
Dude,
Begley.
Ed Begley was in here. Holy shit. I'm only from the
They all
town
had
of
they
Ed
all had
Begley
numbers,
Jr.
and it was a whole thing, and they all wanted to make him guilty. And
Henry Fonda's Grapes of Wrath,
Henry
right?
Fonda was the one that was like, dude, like this guy's innocent, dude. And obviously they're all men because women didn't have a voice back then.
Look at all these white men. They're all bald. All of them need hymns.
12.
I thought it was
Oh,
four
see,
hymns.
Jack Lemmon, yeah, he's in it, motherfucker. That was right.
Yeah, except
Then he was the victim, I guess, or I don't remember.
why do you remember Jack Lemmon?
That's crazy, huh?
because you watched Some Like It Hot or something.
I don't know. I mean, how can you forget that name though?
I mean,
Some
Fair
like,
enough.
oh, Maryland's back there.
yeah, Some Like It Hot. Have you seen that?
No.
Oh, okay, I thought you like knew that Marilyn was in it. That's why. Grumpy Old Man, dude. I remember that shit
The Odd
Well,
Couple.
yeah, Walter Matthau. I remember him from
from Grumpy Old Man.
Dennis the Menace.
Yeah, I remember him from Grumpy Old Man.
I don't think I've.
You never saw Grumpy Old Man?
Oh, I was an nasty bird.
That's basically my father now. Yeah. That's my dad right there.
Your dad's Walter Matthau.
Yeah, that's my dad right there. That's my dad, 100%.
That's him right there.
Yeah, that's him right there. Except he has a stash. My dad's got a mustache, and that's him.
Damn, he just got more and more wrinkles. Look at that, like, the young.
That's
one.
what happens, dude, when you get old. But look at Chris
Yeah,
Lemon.
but he looks like a chow chow.
Look
dude.
at Chris Lemon looking like Keanu Reeves a little bit, you know?
He
He does, huh?
Is that
I'm assuming that's Jack
no
Lemon's
relation?
son.
No relation.
Nah, that's Jack Lemon's son, 100%.
What about Courtney Lemon?
Dude, look at these.
But yeah, 12 Angry Men.
Look at Joe Brown looking like the goddamn Joker.
We saw
Look at this dude.
Schindler's List. No, dude, Jesus, that's not a real smile.
That's the Joker. Schindler's List is not a happy movie.
No, but we saw. Oh,
That's Liam Neeson's? Liam Nielsen?
It's a Beautiful Life,
Liam
dude.
Neeson's? Oh, that's a good movie.
Wonderful Life?
It's a Wonderful
We
Life.
saw that in school, yeah.
Damn.
That's a Christmas time.
The Italian one, right?
No, dude. Yeah, see, It's a Beautiful Life is
Wonderful
a Christmas
Life.
one.
It's a Christmas
And
movie.
Oh,
The World War II one,
and
right?
then It's a Beautiful Life is the one we're talking about.
The World War II one, right?
Can you pull that up?
I don't think I've ever seen Beautiful Life.
Are you? Are we? Is it the World War II one? The
Yeah.
the concentration camp one?
No, then
No,
It's a
that's not. That's
Beautiful
definitely not it.
it's a
Film.
beautiful
Film?
life. He's right.
Oh wait, that's the Ace of Base song.
Life is beautiful.
Life is
Life is-
Beautiful.
yeah.
You're thinking It's a Wonderful Life. This is Life is Beautiful.
Yeah, that's the one with the
I think I did see this.
the
actually.
angel. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, that movie's just
This
sad as balls. Dude.
Fuck, dude. Yeah.
It's one of those sad. movies,
It's one of those like
but it's still a good movie.
It's one of those sad movies.
boy in striped pajama kind
Did you guys
movies.
Did you guys see Jojo Rabbit?
You told me to watch it
It's good and it's
because
I don't know, I don't wanna
you told me that it starts out really funny
it
and
gets-
then
it's just out of nowhere.
yeah, that's what you said, out of nowhere.
and
Just
it's just like what the fuck. I mean,
War-
it should be because there's Nazis in it.
War and drama, huh?
War, it's a war drama.
Oh, it's this guy's this New Zealand, this Kiwi fuck.
Yeah.
Jesus. Sure. I guess.
But yes. he plays Hitler.
The director?
Yeah.
No, he
The
doesn't.
movie Jojo is the kid and throughout he lives in occupied
Like Hitler Youth, right?
Yeah, like the Nazis occupied his town, and he imagines since he's a youth, he thinks Hitler's like a
God.
superhero.
Yeah.
So he imagines him. He's like, Hitler, what are we gonna do today? He's like his imaginary friend. It's really good, dude.
Yeah, sounds great.
But it has to do with, the
It
kids.
has
and,
to do with
like,
Nazis.
Yeah.
Then
And
he
it's
realizes
weird-
that they're
it's-
not as cool.
No shit.
Yeah.
Oh, Michael Giacchino.
Nazis
music.
are not cool, guys.
Scarlett Johansson?
Michael Giacchino.
Yo, Skojo?
It's his mom. Yeah.
Scojo's in it, huh?
Right there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'll check it out. Sam Hockwell.
Yeah, he's in it too.
Sam Hockwell.
He's the funniest part of the movie.
Well, yeah, he's great. Fucking Green
He
Mile.
plays like the guy that teaches the Nazi youth, but he put him there because he lost like an eye and he's like pissed off about it. He's like, so I'm here, guys, to teach you. It's fucking hilarious.
I
Dude.
gotta see. So where can I find this movie?
I think it's.
I don't think it's on Netflix.
Shit. It's because it's pretty recent, so it's probably gonna.
it might be on
You
Netflix.
probably have to pay for it. I don't know.
Now we'll figure it out.
When you Google it, it tells you where.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, it says
All right.
it says stream and watch now, and then it says you where. Yeah, look right there.
Jojo Habit.
There you go.
Watch
Cool.
now. Premium. Perfect.
Premium
I have
probably.
it.
Oh, it's gonna all
I
watch
have it.
options. Let's see.
Wait.
Under that, yeah.
Yeah.
There you go.
You have a premium subscription?
I have a
Premium
yeah,
subscription?
Dude, I told you I don't like commercials, man.
No, but you know what I think premium means when
You have
they
to have,
when
like,
they
the
add channels.
Yeah. You have to have like the
That's
HBO
fine,
shit.
Because you see HBO, it says you can watch it with the subscription.
Yeah, but see, this says premium. I'm pretty sure that's what it is, man.
Go on your Hulu right now. See if you can.
no,
if
I
you can
think-
just throw it on.
I think I'm right, dude.
Let's go to the Hulu.
There's a difference between subscription.
I
well,
really
then what's the
think-
difference between Amazon Premium subscription?
because Amazon, you can do the same thing and buy channels.
Yes.
So it's all. So you're saying it's you're saying it's only through HBO.
I think so.
Like, well, you can buy HBO through Hulu. See, look. Watch with
Ah, okay, so it is only through HBO.
what is that thing?
My
under
work
it?
here is done.
The hug.
What is that?
It's that.
It's the hug, dude.
But what is that thing?
I think I
It's-
seen it.
Jesus.
It's a short.
This is
film.
this. So George, what does this guy have?
That's
Dentally
it's a
speaking.
lateral incisor. Just one tooth.
Yeah. It's fucking
think I
George.
saw it.
That's George Washington, dude.
It gives me like
It's
that
George.
Five
Chuck E.
Nights
Cheese.
at Freddy's vibe.
Chuck E. Cheese, yeah.
All right.
Anyways,
Wow.
we were talking about what did you guys? What's your favorite movie you saw at school? See, mine was we totally just. What was yours?
That Beautiful Life one.
Okay,
and
well,
then
you kind of stole mine. Anyways, okay. What about you?
No, Jesus.
You stole my number 2. Anyways, go. Oh no, my number 2 is Schindler's List.
You saw that at school?
Yeah, I saw
You
it.
guys
in-
saw cool movies in
I
school,
saw,
man.
dude. Once again,
I'll
Eastlake.
tell you what.
To public school, they really not give a fuck about us. They
You
show
know,
us
you know
movies
what
all
I
the
you know
time.
what I saw in school? It wasn't in high school though. You know what I saw in school that I
What did you
that
gonna say? Some dumb shit.
Nah, dude, I saw fucking Gladiator and I was like, hell yeah.
Wait.
In history class,
I was
like
gonna
it's
say-
real.
I was gonna say, I think Sousa.
Oh yeah, he went to heaven and shit.
I think Sousa showed us Gladiator too.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Like,
Oh, did Maximus fucking get his revenge?
he showed
yeah, because that's where I
us
got.
his favorite clips, dude.
Because that's where I got my Insta handle from.
Olivia's Maximus?
Yeah, because I remember watching Gladiator in high school.
So you love that
freshman
movie,
year
huh?
then. That was
Maximus
probably
Decimus
freshman
Meridius?
Yeah.
Commander of the Felix Legions?
year. Freshman year, because I wasn't there, dude.
Yeah, yeah, man.
Have you heard?
Fucking-
Did you hear the rumor that they were gonna make a sequel and how batshit crazy the sequel was?
But did he
The
I'm
trick-
about to blow your mind. No, Ridley Scott wanted to make a sequel. You want to hear what? What?
Yes.
Gladiator
I don't even want to
2.
look it up. Yes.
Do you want to hear what the sequel was? That he did die, but he got reincarnated into like other warriors because he was like the greatest warrior of all. I swear to God, Brian, this was from the Ridley. Like he wanted to make it. Yeah. And like it was that crazy. Like, dude, you're fucking insane.
they're
He's
like, I think you
and
should
he
retire.
said, "Screw you guys, I'll make it Prometheus." And then he just left the room. And then,
Well, it's a whole different movie. He just wanted.
and then they're like, "We're fine with that." Yeah,
They're
go
like,
make it.
well, we actually wanted to green light that.
Yeah,
anyway.
dude, look now you can look it up and like it was just crazy shit. He wanted him to be like, he was gonna end up in the future and stuff, like fighting. Yeah, because he was the greatest warrior of all time. That was supposed to be like
Gladiator 2, right there.
that was supposed to be like his secret origin.
Takes place
What?
over 2 decades. That's
Yeah.
not that. Like, I was expecting him to say like super futuristic.
All the would focus on Lucius. No, that,
Like, it turns into a
Gladiator
sci-fi.
2, the movie that almost was.
That's probably what I saw. Like it just got insane.
Oh, that's incredible. Is there going to be? Is
I remember that movie. Yeah, that movie was fucked up. The tiger and shit. Damn.
you telling me the movie's great? I own. That.
I love that
Oh, I
movie.
didn't say it was bad. I mean, fucked up.
I own that movie, man.
Oh, I own that.
I run that shit. What? See?
See? Now fucking.
Yeah.
What?
Now we're in sync, bitch.
What do you want? Capel.
Beowulf.
Beowulf.
That's the only other movie I remember watching in school.
He's mentioned it multiple times now.
That's the only other movie
Is a piece of
I
shit.
remember watching in
Probably
school.
because he showed it to us twice. Because Van Wyck is a
Let me tell you
bad
something.
teacher.
Let me tell you something, dude. Did you see the new Ben-Hur?
No.
Why would you want to?
Not bad. That's why it's,
It's not
actually
bad?
not bad.
Doesn't what's his name?
Charlton Heston is not in it.
Does Morgan Freeman has like dreadlocks, no?
I don't remember that.
Yeah, he does.
I don't remember
I
that.
saw the trailer.
I
He
don't
looks like
remember
fucking
that.
Bob Marley. He looks like a dumbass.
Ben-Hur 2016.
The only.
Ben Hur and then put.
Oh my goodness.
Here. Oh, Morgan Freeman here.
Look, just go to the.
Wait,
Just
I'll
look it up.
Yeah,
Morgan
and then
Freeman, yeah.
Morgan Freeman. How do you not remember that?
I don't remember
Like just
that.
based off that, this should be a bad movie. Just wait for it.
Oh,
Look.
he does have dreads. He does have dreads.
Oh God.
That's why. No, see, that's where you're wrong. That's why it's a great movie. That's why it's a great movie.
It's so bad, it's great.
Look at that one down there. He looks like Moses, dude.
Look at him. Hell yeah. You kidding me?
Why would you see? I don't get.
You know why? I'll tell you
some
why.
movies
I'll
you
tell you why I
should
watched
remake.
it. I'll tell you why I watched it.
Why?
I had
Do you like the
just-
original? I don't have any. I don't know when. I don't.
I remember the original. I did see that when I was like in 8th grade or so.
Uh-huh.
And then I saw that they made a new one. I just moved into my old spot, not far from here. And it was just it was like literally within a few nights I was in there. So just getting settled in, I was like, oh, I'm going to have a drink and watch a movie. Turn on Hulu, I see Ben-Hur. I was like, oh, they made a new one. Fuck it. Whatever. I'm staying in, I throw it on. Maybe the alcohol made me enjoy it a little bit. I don't know. I was just like, this ain't that bad. I'm thoroughly entertained.
It can't.
They have a special cameo by Jesus the Christ himself,
It can't not help.
and it helps the movie.
Wait, who?
You
Jim
see-
Caviezel?
No, if it was Jim Caviezel, that would have been great.
Like as Jesus, like a crossover.
Yeah, it was.
He's like, at the end of the movie, he's like, I'm here to talk to you about
essentially,
Nick Fury.
it was, dude, because Ben-Hur is like watching the fucking Stations of the Cross, so to speak.
Oh,
like
what
you
the
see Jesus carrying the
Yeah.
cross, and Ben like appears, so there is a crossover. I ended up rewatching Passion of the Christ to see if he comes out.
Oh. see some Phil Magic overlap.
Holy shit. Dude, Mel Gibson would have been on top of his game.
I know, it's
Like Marvel has nothing on Mel Gibson. He started the universe like ages ago.
Yeah, man. Turns out no, he was not.
No shit, Brian.
I check every Easter.
I'm out,
It's on
dude.
director's cut.
The extended commentary.
There is supposed to be the Passion too.
That's funny, dude.
There
There
is
was, huh?
There's
There
supposed
really,
to be.
There really was.
They're really doing, yeah.
As
The
early
Passion
as
of the
like
Christ
as
2.
early as like 2 or
Watch,
3 years ago. I swear to
Passion
God, he really was
of
working on it.
the Christ 2.
Resurrection.
Resurrect.
Of what else would it be called?
Look, October 23rd. Like this is 2020. What's
No.
going on with Mel?
A lot.
Let me tell you something.
Let me just.
The second coming is coming.
Someone give this guy a raise. When it might come though, we don't know.
Oh, following the astronomical
This
box
guy
office.
It was a box office.
This
I mean,
guy's
it
just trying to
was.
beat the word count, dude. Like,
but that's of course you're gonna get a box office. You're targeting one of the biggest religions of all time.
The biggest.
We
It's
saw
the
it.
biggest. We went.
we saw it in school.
We had to get a permission slip because all the blood and shit.
Dude, we went to the theater.
Yeah, so did we.
How?
We
Our
went to-
class took
our-
us, dude.
We like
were
waited
like
for the
little
school
kids.
to open. I mean, the movie
Oh,
theater to
you were
open.
in elementary school.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. We were in
to
high
Catholic
school. Yeah, we
school,
were in
yeah.
high school.
We went to Our Lady of Mont Carmel.
Dude, my girlfriend at the time was fucking crying, and I was like, "Why are you crying? It's a movie." I was like, "It's a movie." We broke up. but-
Like halfway through the movie.
I was like, I can't hear it. You're crying. Oh man. Oh, they've been slaving.
I kind of just want to see what
I really want to know if they're
the
gonna do
plot
it.
is.
What do you mean?
The Ascension, I'm assuming.
Dude, when he resurrected, it just took him like a day. What would the movie be?
3 days, buddy.
What
I
the
mean,
movie? No, I mean when he actually woke up.
Yeah. Well, he walks out. He
Oh, I
visits
guess-
the apostles.
I guess
Remember?
the movie would be.
And then he
in
makes him
those-
speak in tongues, and then he flies up.
Yeah. See, he remember. He paid attention.
Damn, it's because
Yeah.
I gotta rewatch the Bible, dude.
You gotta rewatch.
Rewatch the
rewatch
Bible.
Let me tell you. Start with Ben-Hur. All right. Why don't you start
Jesus
with Ben-Hur?
Christ Superstar. On ice.
You gotta go in chronological order.
Yeah. Start with Ben-Hur.
You gotta watch Iron Man 1, and then you gotta watch Passion of the Christ,
Yeah.
and then you gotta watch Passion of the Christ 2, Resurrection.
Oh, yeah.
What's going on with Mel? dude?
There's no David and Goliath movies like recently.
Yeah, there was.
Probably like
Recently.
shitty animated ones.
No, there was. Isn't it from like the same people that did like those Clash of the Titans or whatever?
Dude,
Back in the 80s.
dude,
No,
you're
they made
tripping.
Oh, they made a
new
newer
ones.
one,
Yeah.
right.
You're tripping, dude.
What?
You're
I
tripping.
swear there was a David and Goliath movie came out 2012, 2013. 2016. See,
Holy shit!
see, I'm not making this shit up.
Oh, I
Probably like Bollywood though.
Is it? Indonesia, dude. Of course you would know this. I need to watch like an American one, dude.
First the Beowulf thing, now it's fucking.
Yeah, because dude,
David and Goliath.
it's starring Les Brandt. Who the fuck is
want-
that?
I
He's
want-
the shaman.
I want more brands.
I don't want less. I want more.
The Bible, David and Goliath. The Bible isn't like a series, and then I guess there's episodes.
No, that's the Book of Eli, dude.
What did David say
Dude,
before he
stop.
killed? What did David say before he killed Goliath?
He said, "What's going on with Mel?"
Any
dude?"
witnesses?
And then Goliath's like, "What?" Like,
You come against me with a sword.
It's so funny. Like anyone could
Oh.
prove this.
Yeah,
The
exactly.
fuck out like dude, I was there. It happened last
Right?
week. Yeah.
There's fossil records.
dude, Oliver, remember that retreat we went? Oh, we just talked about that fart Diego had. Remember that retreat we went to?
Yes,
I stole the golf cart keys
Yes.
and then I gave him back to the priest.
yes.
And I
You-
told him, "Please don't tell on me, dude."
Don't send me to hell, priest. please,
don't.
please don't send me to hell.
Dude,
I think it's ironic that religious retreat is when I decided this is all
This
bullshit.
Ain't, yeah, this ain't working for me. Hey, listen,
I was-
Hey, Father, I know this is confession, but this ain't working out. You know.
Dude, how did you know? Yeah, it was. We all had confessions of Father. Like I've been. This is
I've been doubting for a
like,
while.
what's going on? Like
That
this
was
is
a Tropic
stupid.
Thunder reference, you
Yeah.
bastard.
See?
Bad boy.
Bad boy, Father.
With Tobey Maguire. No, he won on Oscar, and Tobey Maguire won
Yeah.
the Teen Choice Award
Yeah.
for Best Kiss. No, but
Greatest
fuck,
movie.
what the fuck are we talking about, dude?
We're talking about confession, you giving up
Oh
the Catholic
yeah,
Church.
and then I told him something. Honestly, I forgot what I said, but I'll never forget his answer. He's like, "Oh, no, actually, I did forget his answer."
Cool story, man.
Because it
But
wasn't that
the
important.
point is, yeah, the point. See, that's the whole point. The
Yeah.
point is, it was just a bullshit answer, and I was
Right.
old enough to be like, "Guys, it's just dumb. I'm just enjoying my time."
You
here."
never heard my story then, did you?
No, about what? Your
I
atheist
almost
story or
didn't
what?
graduate, or no, I graduated. I almost didn't walk with the class because I
Correct.
failed religion senior year, the second semester.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dude, I thought I was fucked up because I almost failed math, dude.
No, I
I
failed.
had like the lowest math in senior year, and I was like, dude, I'm such an idiot. My class was like 6, 7 people, dude. We're like the
Yeah.
dumbest. But how?
I because I was graded on an opinion, and I chose
That's religion school for you.
and I chose to just like be argumentative instead of being like,
God damn, Brian. Just
well,
keep
because
your head down.
dude,
Just
the purpose.
get out of there.
I've said this on the podcast before,
Okay,
but
yeah.
fuck it, I'm just gonna
Okay,
give
quickly, just for me.
the
Fuck you
abridgment,
guys.
the abridgment, if you will.
Okay.
The paper was supposed to be on abortion, the Catholic stance.
Why
Christian
the-
stance is they're anti-abortion, right? My whole premise on this paper for my final was it's not my place to tell anybody what to do with their body. Well, F. I mean, you know.
I mean, yeah. I
Yeah.
mean, that's kind of still how we think today. Pretty
yeah.
Much.
So I failed.
Yeah.
I failed, and I had to talk to the religion chair, Mrs. Anthony,
Dude,
be like, hey.
Anthony.
and I was like, hey, listen, what the fuck?
Yeah.
Like, yeah.
It's one of those like there can't be a wrong answer
Yeah,
kind of
this is,
situation.
I was like,
You gotta be
I
shitting
was like,
me.
you failed me for an opinion. You know, colleges don't care about this class, right? Like,
Yeah, right. Like, what the
yeah.
fuck?
So I almost didn't walk with my class because of
That's
that.
fucking insane.
Yeah,
I've never
I had to
heard that
talk
story.
my way to walk.
I almost didn't walk with my class because we threw water balloons at people.
That was a dumber reason.
That is a dumb reason. You got to do it on graduation day.
I remember you called me because you wanted me to come back and like support you guys. Like, if you guys were like prisoners. Yeah, I'm like, I'm just gonna go home. Like, I actually drove back. I was like 2 minutes away. I was like, ah, fuck, I'll just go back.
Who'd you throw these at?
And then no, just people. We were throwing
no,
water balloons.
so I just remember that
It was like it wasn't even a prank. It, was
it
like
wasn't. It wasn't a senior prank at
It was
all.
like mild terrorism.
Yeah.
Like very mild.
So,
It's just
Yeah.
long story short, we were on the second half of the school and we just bombarded the lower part of the school
it was such a stupid
with
You
water
say
balloons.
this. You say this very interesting. Second half of the school, not second story.
The second story, yeah.
Second half of
Dude,
the
what
school.
the is that what you were trying to mean? Like, what?
I speak Oliver now.
Second half?
Like the second.
Story.
That sounds like the school was born in two halves, and that's the second one that was born. Anyways,
We were on the top level and we threw water balloons down
We
to the
walked
first.
up a staircase.
Yeah.
We threw water.
I was
balloons.
there. Tell him the story.
The fuck, dude? So yeah.
I get it. I got it.
Yeah,
All
and
right,
then
okay.
yeah, that's all that happened. And then they told us that it was the worst thing that had ever happened in
That
Marion
really is literally what
in
happened. Like
modern
no
day
one.
Should have told you. Should have. Like, you guys have been very privileged because
gave
have
a-
you seen or heard about Columbine?
Yeah.
Because that's not mild.
And then they would have
terrorism.
said no.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then
They would-
and then you proceed to just pull out the gun and just start spraying bullets
On
on,
the
your
way
way down from the
way
second
down.
story.
To the first half of the
I almost
school.
fell
To the first half of the school.
until you get to the first.
Oh god.
Yeah, that was such a dumb day, dude.
School shootings. Good comedy.
Jesus Christ. We
comedy.
can talk about that.
Good clean family fun.
Saw a Vice thing recently about girls that are attracted to the Columbine guys. Like there's like an actual like fan
Of
group.
course.
I mean,
They
Aren't those guys dead?
I mean furries.
Yeah,
I mean
but like-
They killed
furries
themselves.
exist.
yeah.
I understand that. Though,
So
Do you understand? What?
they're
What?
not real.
anyways, they're real. They're out there.
Yeah, but they're still.
Dude,
humans.
I saw a video. It's so funny. Internet historian on YouTube. That guy's really funny. He did some kind of furry con, and it was a disaster. Like he explains like the whole history. But it was such a disaster, dude.
Well, explain it to me.
and they were
because I don't
staying.
feel
They
like
were staying
looking
at a
that up.
hotel and everything.
They usually do.
And the
Pittsburgh or
employees like they banned them because they're like these people are disgusting. There's diapers everywhere. I was like, what's going on? What do you mean
Yeah.
diapers?
What do you mean
But I guess they wear diapers because like when they
Oh, they
have
can't
the
take
whole
the suits
yeah,
off.
It's like oh, I'm gonna fucking throw.
I
up.
had no idea
That
about
makes
that.
sense.
Yeah, right.
That makes sense. though.
Right?
Yeah.
So
Wow.
You get
But
more.
aren't
You
they
get more
supposed-
fur. You get
But
more
aren't
fur
they
time.
supposed
You
to
know
be
what I mean?
fucking? Isn't that the whole
Well,
premise?
that's
Like-
why they took them off.
no,
Or
I
what?
thought they were just people that wanted to be animals.
Some
No,
have,
I'm-
I thought-
some have sexual.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm assuming some animals fuck, yeah, but
Have you seen there's like videos of this woman that like pretends she's a dog and the boyfriend takes her for walks?
We've seen stuff like that on YMH. No?
Yeah.
You know,
Cesar Millan, yeah.
Pup play, dude.
yeah. He's like
I'm at that.
Yeah.
Well, that was just a question.
yeah.
And
You're like, yeah, we've
Well, I
seen
thought you were
that.
gonna keep going.
No,
there.
I'm just like, have you seen it? It was a question.
do you
No, that's-
subscribe to
that's-
that type of
That's just psychological.
It seems like fun.
Nah, the more fucked up
know
one
what
is like the pony play one where they act like horses and
A
shit.
genuine pioneer.
that fucks up your back. I've seen that video.
What?
When she gallops.
Oh, you know what? I have seen that. You're right. I have seen
Yeah.
that.
She's Archie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She's
That
like
really fucks up your back. I
jumping
guess.
over shit.
Yeah, my back hurts just thinking about it.
She's a sweet girl. She's a sweet girl. She'll do anything. She'll do anything for the vine.
Yeah.
All right?
Damn, fine, dude.
That was the predecessor,
It's
To what?
TikTok.
TikTok.
Yeah. Vine was
Everything's the
TikTok.
same.
Yeah, it's all the same.
Everything. Snapchat's
Honestly,
the same.
everything that's still, I still say this, everything that exists.
MySpace.
No, well,
It's-
yeah, it's
it's
all
pretty much
MySpace
the
and
dude-
Facebook. It's all the same shit.
Twitter has the same thing. You can put Snapchats on Twitter now.
I
It's the
know.
same shit.
You can do everything still, all in one on Facebook. You can do all that shit.
Probably, yeah. I like Twitter better though. I deleted my Facebook a long time ago. I made a fake one when I was studying because they have a lot of study groups and they put all those files and shit. You just download everything.
That's not a fake one. That's just you.
No, as in
It's like basically you making an email. account.
no, but like it was.
That's-
I put my name. It was Drew Carey, and I put a picture of my grandpa. That's what I mean by fake. Yeah.
Why Drew Carey?
I have
Why your
no
grandpa?
idea. I think I saw that morning. Oh, because it was just a picture I had saved on the. I didn't do it on my
Grandpa
computer.
was Drew
yeah.
Carey, dude.
Yeah, I opened the picture file.
Because grandfather watches The Price is Right exclusively.
No, I did. I did see it that morning. I think that was the name was stuck in my head. Drew Carey. Like I didn't even try. You know, it's
Right,
like
sure.
that's like a famous person. You know.
I mean,
No, and then I wasn't on my computer, so I opened the picture file. I was like, let's just put a random picture. Like I don't know my mom, my dad, and there was like a Cancun trip they had with my grandparents. I was like, oh, perfect, dude. And it was just my grandpa next to a sign like this, and it's like, yeah. But I didn't comment or anything. I just downloaded files. Yeah.
you don't need
You were
to.
lurking.
Sorry, that was a bad story. I'm sorry, dude.
No, hey, it's okay. It's okay, man.
We're here, man. This is why we're here. This
Anyways.
is why we're here.
Drew Carey, huh?
Woo!
You a big fan?
Started to sweat a little bit. Yeah. Remember Drew Carey show?
I do remember Drew
It was good
Carey
shit.
show.
What's the? How did it end when the theme song is screamed on? What is
Ohio.
it? Yeah.
Cleveland rocks.
Oh, well, yeah.
Yeah, I know this shit.
I
What was
did
her-
not
what was
see
her
the
name?
Drew Carey
Mimi
show.
Bobek was
Jesus,
the little
yeah,
the fat clown looking
ugly
chick.
one.
I watched a lot.
Oh, Drew
of
Carey.
TV.
Whose line is it?
Yeah,
dude?
whose line
Who's
is it
Line It
anyways?
Anyway? That's a great show
Yeah.
too. Fucking
Holy
Wayne Brady.
God damn.
Motherfucking Wayne
That
Brady.
show was underrated, dude.
Yeah, Ryan Stiles.
Ryan Stiles-
And Colin. What's the
Colin
last name?
Mockery.
But
The
it's,
both of them-
Mockery.
But both of them together.
It's still up going, but without Drew Carey.
Yeah. It's with,
Right, I haven't.
Aisha Tyler.
Yeah,
Right?
but I haven't seen. I've seen some clips, and they're like, and now we're gonna have this CW star come on, and
Yeah.
like, it's like, shut up,
kill-
dude. Like, get
kill
the
that
fuck
noise.
out of
Yeah.
here. Speaking of Robin Williams, that episode with him, oof, dude. Like everyone just started crying. Like he made everyone cry of laughter, dude.
He's wild. He's a wild man.
He's fucking insane, dude. Anyways,
was.
rest in peace.
Rip.
What was your favorite
What was your
bit-
favorite Beowulf character?
from
He's like,
who's-
"Let's talk
Angelina
about
Jolie.
Beowulf."
From whose line is it anyway? Like they always had like little
Oh,
games.
the game?
Yeah.
Oh, my pops loved Scenes from a Hat. That
Yeah,
was my dad.
that's the basic.
Yeah.
That's like almost every episode they have to play that.
No,
Yeah.
dude, I loved when Colin would do the news thing with the
Yeah, he
green
doesn't know what's
screen.
behind him. I
Yeah.
was
love
about
that
to
shit.
say that
I love that one,
because
dude.
because he just
He would nail
That's the
that
best
shit.
thing,
yeah, he really would at the end.
Yeah.
He sometimes you could tell like halfway through he's like, I know what's behind me.
Yeah.
But I gotta keep it going and like I'm
Yeah.
gonna kick these guys' asses. Dude, that guy's so good,
Yeah.
dude.
I would also,
It's
they
'cause
would
they're
also
Canadian. They're not.
Yeah.
They don't,
Canadians are
I guess
funny.
they're famous like over there.
I mean,
you
Wayne
know?
Brady's from Riverside, but you know.
Yeah, that show was so fucking good.
It was a good
dude.
show.
And
Scenes from a oh yeah.
and it was the same fucking 4 people. They would just
Pretty much.
rotate. They
Majority
would
of
just
the time,
rotate.
yeah.
Every now and then they would rotate one for sure, and then Wayne Brady would probably rotate him out too.
Yeah.
But the Colin and Ryan, they were always there, I think.
Yeah,
And-
Colin Ryan.
And then Drew Carey, yeah.
And
Oh, the drinking song, dude.
Those
Those
are-
were good too.
The few clips where they all break down is for some
Yeah.
of the drinking
Or
songs.
the
when they get to
commercial
Colin and
Yeah.
he's the only one that keeps
Yeah.
going like this because everyone's like on the floor. Like, dude,
Right.
it's just so good, dude.
Yeah, those are
The
good.
I like halfway through it, I realized the British one was like an original. They're always British people always have a
Brits are ahead of the time. Americans.
They
make it
always
better.
have everything before us. Huh? I never.
Yeah,
fucking-
but you know what? No, that's not true though. Because check this out.
What we had American
Think
Idol
of-
first? No.
No, think of the great like British bands
Yeah.
that happened. They stole that shit from us.
You mean it? You mean we stole
They
it from
took-
black people?
Yeah, but we
And then
brought
they
them
stole
over
it from
here.
us.
Yeah, but we brought them over here. What instruments were the black people using?
I don't know. Not just,
Well, they ain't fucking African instruments. I'll tell you that right now. What? That's not racist.
it's
That's
true.
not racist.
It's true though.
no, it's not.
Yeah. Controversial subject. You can't have one without the other. I don't know. Yeah.
You're right.
Yeah.
But this.
Say it.
What?
Say it. Schindler's
what?
List. Oh, yeah.
Oh, Schindler's List. What about it? What?
Yeah. What?
Chandler's the good guy.
Do right,
He's
man.
Liam Neeson. He trained Batman. Dude, remember the sandwiches? Well, your mom made. No, my mom
The
too.
cheese.
It was just a block of cheese.
He got into the cheese.
Like
It was just bread.
You can tell.
Thick ass piece of cheese, dude.
Like her mom got to the end of the block. She's like, "Why even cut this?"
Exactly, yeah.
And she's like, "We're out of ham too. Fuck it. We're out of mayonnaise. I mean, we're out of mustard. Just more mayonnaise." It's like, what is that? It was like 2 pieces of bread with like a cheese in it. And then I look him in the eye and I said, "Are you gonna eat that?" and then we
exactly
shared it like Lady in the Tramp style. Then we got into the middle and
And then we just both bit it.
Let's reenact this.
no, but that sounds like hyperbole. But that really did happen, dude. Like,
the Lady in the Tramp.
and then happened to me too. Like, I guess they just talked about like sandwich making skills. Like, let's just fuck with our
Or
sons.
your mom would grab the orange juice. She'd be like, "Oh, you want some too?" And then she would split it and then cut it with water.
Oh, that's everyone knows. Yeah, that's everyone's mom. Cut the shit out of that juice.
Isn't everyone's mom? But
That's what I'm saying. My mom never did that either. You know, that's,
What? I have no idea what's going on.
he's been drinking cut juice his whole life. That's why. He's like, it's not normal.
It's just kicking in.
Yeah.
It's just kicking in.
oh man.
I've been lied to my whole life.
You've had cut juice the whole time.
He's gonna call his mom on the way home. You've been cutting the juice.
No more juice cutting. This ends today.
All these fucking years.
She's like on the phone, like, oh fuck.
She's like, he knows.
It's just Frankenstein bottles of Tampico and shit with like
We got
Minute Maid and lime juice and water.
we ended up with like it didn't even look like juice anymore. I'm sweating.
Oh my god.
Oh my
lights.
god, dude.
Woo.
No more dicks. No more dicks,
No
huh?
more dicks? What about it? Well,
going
that's
on?
how it ended. That's how it started, and we want to
know.
end it on dicks.
I wanted to end it on dicks, but we can wrap it up.
Yeah, let's wrap it
How
up.
do you guys wrap it up?
We just wrap
Sometimes
it
it just ends.
up. Sometimes,
Sometimes-
sometimes things just end, dude.
I didn't even.
Any last
Wow.
any
that's
last
a good
final
one.
things
Oh,
to
shit.
say?
Who's
Any
left for it?
you want to promote your
Not really. No,
With
not
DDSing?
Not after that dick drawing. No, I don't think so.
You should though. You should.
I'll probably have to
Frame
change
it
my
up.
name.
You know what? We'll
and
tag Drew Carey in this
I'll
too.
change my name,
Uh,
Dr. Love, and
Your parents wouldn't frame that for you? They framed that kindergarten drawing you did of the circles. Remember my family?
circles. They didn't frame it, but we have it somewhere. Like
It,
in a
I
box.
remember
You
it.
still have it?
I
That's
remember
bas-
it being.
that's basically
I remember
frame
it being
frame.
hung up on the wall like in a frame, dude.
This guy just makes up shit.
No,
on
oh
the
my
spot.
god! It was either in your room.
Dude, I
it
would-
was either in your room or
We have
somewhere
a frame.
in
We
your
have a
house.
frame painting that I painted when I was a kid. Like it's super. It was like a fox or something. You know what
No,
I'm talking
dude,
about?
I'm talking about what it's like. It
Really
looks like,
good
Do you
painting.
have
It
it?
looks like a
No,
sheet
but,
of paper, and it's just like three
Send
circles.
the text. We'll follow it up on the next
It's
next
like
episode.
with like sticks coming out of them, and it just says on top "My Family."
I know what you're talking about, but
That's
it
cute.
was like in a little scrapbook. Why would they frame the whole book?
I remember I saw it on the wall either in your room or
I
somewhere in the house.
honestly, I can't tell which is worth the fact that it was in a scrapbook and you saw said scrapbook,
Yeah.
or it's framed. I don't know
yeah,
what
that's crazy.
Either or, it's there, dude.
You
Right.
also believe I broke your finger. You're insane, dude.
Who broke my finger then?
Yeah.
Comma.
Well, no. Okay,
That's- that's the end of that.
No, you.
Comma. No, that
you
was
might-
actually his name. Yeah, comma.
His name, we had a counselor's name was Comma.
But you might have you may have not been the person that broke it.
I rolled.
but you were
I-
the catalyst that
You were the
initiated
catalyst.
all of this.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, I mean, I accepted that a long time ago, like 3 hours ago. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, hey, listen, dude, it's not your finger, right?
These
Hey,
are gold, dude. You
But I
can't
got
fuck
the
with
cool story to tell, so I'm happy with that.
Sure. If you want, if you want to call it cool, yeah, dude. Sure, dude.
Story's a
Cool
story.
guy.
Oh, you guys want to wrap it up with my broken toe story? How about that?
Yeah, let's
All
wrap
right,
it up
yeah.
with your broken toe.
It was summer camp again,
Mhm.
but they sent
Hey,
me
right.
to. Dude, you guys are gonna just start laughing right away.
heavyweights.
Here we go. No,
Tony Perkis camp.
I wasn't obese, Brian. I didn't have childhood diabetes, Brian.
It's funnier if you did.
I didn't have gout, Brian.
Let me think what I want to think, dude. It sounds funnier if you did.
But they sent me to this camp was at a school that was a military school, but it was during the summer, so the kids weren't there. But they used it as I guess they rented it out and they made money. But the one that
Which
took
side of
care
the
of us. No, I'm gonna start sidetracking, so I'm gonna get to the toe story. Literally the last. I know people say literally all the time, but this was the last day. Next day, our parents are gonna pick us up. Literally last day. Okay. Playing dodgeball, no socks on, shoes, anything.
Why?
That's the bad part. Okay. Why? I don't fuck. It was in grass. I just want to get the grass between my toesy woesies. Okay.
Okay.
And then, what happened? Oh, I got hit. And I was like, okay, I'm out.
Sure.
But before that, some kid just stepped on my foot like sideways.
For no reason.
He was like running away. We were trying to dodge the ball. And then I was like, ow, he stepped on me. And that's when they hit me and like, hey, you're out. I'm like, okay, I'm out. I start walking towards the end. It's like, oh, fuck. And I look down. Yeah. And yeah, the toe next to the fat one was just pushing all of them this way.
The toe next to the fat one.
Yeah, as in like
the thumb of the foot.
The index of the index of your foot. Is like this.
It's just pushing all the rest of them. Yeah.
Yeah.
And I just looked down. I was like, God,
that's not right.
Fuck.
Right.
And I tell the people taking care of us, I was like, hey, what's going on? I was like, oh shit. They just look down. And they're like, dude, fuck.
Yo, that fat fuck over there.
Now, like now I get it because they're like, dude, they're gonna think we did it or something.
Yeah.
Like, dude, just take me. What are you guys doing? What's the protocol here?
Right.
What's the proto, dude? And then they take me to like nearby. They had to take me to take an X-ray. Hairline fracture. Yeah. Hairline fracture. And then he said, oh, it's gonna hurt a little bit. So he just like.
You're like, it hurts now.
Yeah. No, it didn't because I barely like stepped on it, but he just like pulled it.
Yeah.
And then he took care of my toe. I'm just kidding. He pulled the toe and then nice and straight. You don't put cast on toe. Like, yeah.
Right. Get on the mic though.
That's
you
why you
can't.
have the moon boot.
You can't put casts on toes.
No, of course not.
That's why you have the moon boot.
You have the moon boot and they have to tape it to the other one. And
Did you drop a heater on your toe
Call my
too?
parents. Oh, you want to hear that story too?
I remember that one.
You dropped the what?
Because he had two
heater.
moon boots.
At the same time?
No.
He's just like,
Fucking
It was back to
astronaut.
back. It was back to back.
It was back to back. Different feet though.
Different feet, but it was back to
Let me
back.
balanced out the spine.
Let me finish this one. Yeah, and then moon boot and everything. I'm set. I'm in my room. They're like, they just put me in there. Like, just fucking wait for your parents. You fucking piece of shit.
Here's some Dragon Ball
like,
Z. Have fun.
Yeah, Mom, I fucking hate Dragon Ball Z, dude.
Me too.
Anyways, we could talk about that. I was like, Mom, Dad, I broke my toe. You guys come get me. I just hear my mom in the background. I was like, well, fucking get him tomorrow. What the fuck? And my dad's like,
Yeah, we're getting tomorrow.
we'll see what we can do. I had to sleep I moved the mattress to the floor because I didn't want to. I was like a bunk bed. I didn't want to. Yeah. You want to hear the other toe story?
No. I thought we were going to wrap it up.
Let's wrap it up. I'll save it for the other one. Yeah. More toe stories.
We'll hear about the other foot.
George got a bag of chimichangas for Christmas one year.
Oh, yeah.
Like, again, stories for days,
We
dude.
got plenty of.
Tune in next time to find out why I
Next
got a
episode.
bag of frozen
That's
chimichangas.
hilarious.
And we're out. Peace out, guys. Thank you.